Okay, welcome to Saturday Night Spooky Stories, second podcast. We've got the regular panel members Arun, Deek, Tarun, Shambhav, and me, Suresh. So today's topic is different types of ghosts in Indian mythology, जो भी हमने सुना है, they're from different regions. So hopefully we'll have some good information and good content. So let's get into it. I'll be sharing. तो जो भी बोल रहा है, I'll try to search on Google and I'll try to share my screen. That just चीज़ के मैं बात में बोल रहा है तो I to start I don't know much. जो भी मैंने रिसर्च किया था वो बहुत जो भी दिखा रहे थे वो सारे दिखा रहे थे असम के बारे में बंगाल के बारे में I wanted to find which are kind of local to our region आंध्रा तेलंगाना रीजन्स में जो भी हम सुनते आए थे हमारे बचपन से I wanted to get information on those things but it wasn't much. I mean, I couldn't find much information on things. As kids, we've heard there are different types of ghosts in our traditions or our culture, Andhra culture. Like we had something called Koravidayam, we had something called yeah, but I didn't want it to miss. Yeah, sure, Taran. So we had something called Kama Pisachi. We had something called Rakta Pisachi, and we had something called Allar Deyyam. I guess these are all again. These are all. I don't know whether this is a filmy thing or these are actually there, but these are the things which we've heard a lot in our childhood. So each of them had their own set of traits. Like Koruvidayam is something which carries a light on its head and moves around during the night. And Kama Pisache is it goes by the name. Kama Pisache is more like a woman who died a virgin without her desires not being fulfilled. So she'll haunt young men or men basically who walk alone late in nights. Pisache is I guess it's more or less like a vampire who sucks your blood. And there is another thing called Allari Dayyam. Allari means nautanki. Allari means nautanki जो बच्चे नौटंकी करते हैं ना और Allari so at least the way it is portrayed in movies is that it try to replicate whatever you do and whatever जैसे बंदर करते हैं ना वैसा whatever action you do when you come across it whatever action you do it try to replicate that action and that's how it tries to irritate you. These are few things and there are also few other things like Mohini Pisachi and other stuff. I guess these are mostly into filmy culture and everything but this was the most information I could get of. But again we had multiple legends like जो स्त्री का मूवी देखा था आपने ओ स्त्री कलाना का we had the same thing in our childhood we had the same thing we in the villages I mean in some core villages I've seen people writing saying oh क्या तो ओ स्त्री कलाना तेलुगु में क्या था ओ स्त्री
Naleva. I heard Naleva was a thing.
that was in Karnataka that was a Kannada thing.
Vipra Ostri.
Ostri Repra. In Telugu, it was written Ostri Repra. It written all over the world, so, on the walls and all on the doors of many houses in those days. So it was believed a lot back then. So this was one thing. Again, after I didn't know that this was a Indian white phenomenon. Like everyone had this kind of experience, but after the movie Stilly, I've understood that okay, this was not part of an Andhra culture thing or Andhra region thing. It happened in other parts of India as well. Like it's I guess it originated in Karnataka, saying Naleba, which translates to Naleka Matlab I guess it has something to do with Anale means lady or something. I don't know, but it started in Karnataka and then it moved to here. Oh, nice! This fellow joined Sriram. Hello, Sriram. Hi. He's a friend of mine. We go back really long. Like we right from a 10th standard or so, for fourth or five, like 20 years. We go back 20 years. So and he has got a lot of knowledge on this stuff.
So do we need to switch on the video for this?
It would it's your choice, yeah. But since we wanted to put it as a podcast, we are leaving
So
our cameras on.
since it's a Sunday and my weekend, I'm doing something which is not to be exposed, so I don't want to put on the video.
It's okay, dude. I don't think your wife is gonna do it, beat you.
No, it's not about that. It's about the podcast.
Why? What is gonna happen with the podcast?
అవన్నీ చెప్పకూడదురా.
Okay. You promised someone that you're gonna do something, is it? ఎవరికేదో వస్తానని చెప్పేసి ఇక్కడ హ్యాండ్ ఇచ్చావా?
అలా ఏం లేదు, నేను ఇంట్లోనే ఉన్నాను.
Okay, okay. So maybe you can help me out. I was trying to find. I was doing some research. So the topic is, I've already told you, right? We wanted to discuss on ghosts in Indian culture from different regions. So I was trying to do some research on Google. I wanted to find the ghosts in our Telugu culture, but I couldn't find much. So if you know anything, maybe if you want to shed some light on it.
Somebody start, maybe I'll get that.
I was talking about this thing, Kurividayam. Do you know what is a Kurividayam? How it all originated?
No idea. అరే నువ్వు రీసెర్చ్ చేసావురా, నేను చేయలేదు.
But you should be knowing it, dude. I thought you were more knowledgeable than me, so I thought you would be knowing something.
నేను అలా చాలా మందిని తిట్టడం తప్ప నాకు కొరియర్ ఎక్కడి నుంచి వచ్చే ఆరిజిన్.
Hey, no one knows Telugu here except me.
Oh,
Arun,
I'm
and
so
Sai.
sorry. I'm so sorry. Okay, cool.
Yeah. So yeah, okay then. That's what I had. That's what I had to say. Next, if someone wants to go, Deek.
I have a few stories I've heard and some legends I've heard around in Assam. So, as you know, in Assam and Bengal, those are the cities of many rivers and their tributaries. Heard a lot of river ghosts or like ghosts around jungles. One of them is Ghurapak, yeah. So it is kind of an horse-based ghost. It looks like a ghost, and it's said that in the areas where there are like fishermen or fishermen or near the village edges where people keep fishes and all, and they sell in market. It is said that evening time, in the twilight time, you should always close all the gates and all the windows. And you, when you go to northeast, you will see that it's a common practice. Everybody is closing their windows and gates in the evening time, around the twilight time. They don't keep all the windows and all open. This is a common practice. And Gorapak is supposed to be a horse kind of creature which will come to your house, and from the window it will try to fetch any fish and all. So it's kind of a gruesome and crazy image, thinking a horse eating a fish. It's kind of scary, and it is believed that anyone who has seen Ghora Park either gets a very bad fever or faints at the that time only. And many people have said in a way that when you hear Ghora Park coming, you hear like a woman shouting very loudly, not any horse or any other voice.
It does look like a centaur, though. Yeah.
What?
A centaur, half man,
Yeah,
half.
centaur, half man. But the half man part is nowadays, I believe it has developed more and more in this manner. But it is said to be a horse-like structure from afar. You can see a little like horse. Maybe it's a centaur. Who knows? People who have seen him usually faint after that or get a very heavy fever.
But I don't think we've got centaurs in Indian culture, right? Centaurs are something to
No,
mostly European.
no, not our culture. So this is one of the legend which I have heard a lot in my like younger days when I was a kid.
We don't have centaurs, but we do have different kind of thing where we've got a half horse, half. No, I don't think we've got centaurs in our Indian culture.
In Hindu mythology, we do have there are gods and evils as well. Like if you know this, I'm not getting the name, but they are gods. Like semi like horse and semi like
Oh,
human
you
shape.
mean to say this guy, Tumbura?
No.
Tumbura is a half horse and a half man. He's
Yeah.
not a centaur though, but as far as my understanding goes, he's not a centaur. He's a musician.
So that's one of the legends I've heard in my area.
Oh, okay. He's a
Any one
governor.
wants to go next? I have few, but maybe I'll spare them for later.
Yep. Shamba or Arun.
Yes, so my grandmother used to tell me one story of a Diane. So my grandmother used to stay in Haryana in a village Hansi. So there is a. She told me that there is a Diane over there, and she live with all the villagers. But on the Amavasya time, there is a well over there. So she tells that put well that particular well water on that witch, on that Diane, or else she will attack someone or eat someone. So that Diane herself told that put that well water on her on every Amavasya, or else she will eat someone or attack someone. So there are many like types of praise, Diane, Chudel, like this. So all have their own stories. Yeah.
Are Dians are known to, are they human or are they ghosts? How do, because my understanding of Dian is more of a witch kind of thing. Witches are Chudels are witches, right? Witches are like wizards and witches who do black magic.
Yeah, so these are particularly Chudals, I guess. So Dians are like they're not humans, but they look like human and like they roam around us like a human being only. They have certain things like they have long like what do you call choti in English? So they have long choti
Ponytail, yeah.
and yeah, and there is also a myth that they have like opposite feet, उल्टे पैर होते हैं उनके.
Mm-hmm.
So it's like
Reverse.
that. But my grandmother told me that उस डायन के उल्टे पैर नहीं थे. She was look like a lady only, but only on अमावस्या time she that डायन thing उस पे हावी हो जाता था, and she attacks all the villagers. So she herself told that वो वाटर उन पे डालोगे तो वो normal हो जाएगी, and she will not attack anyone.
This is kind of a werewolf kind of situation where only one day you get overthrown by your inner instinct.
When you say pouring water, like abhishek karna hota hai kya, or is it like you have to just throw a
नहीं
fishy her
उस
just?
पे मतलब वही उस पानी को उस पे ऊपर पूरा डाल दो, मतलब उसको पूरा भिगो दो उस पे, तो बाल्टी वाल्टी किसी से भी, तो वो नॉर्मल हो जाता था.
और डायन और चुड़ैल में फर्क क्या होता है भाई? व्हाट इज डायन, व्हाट इज चुड़ैल?
जहाँ तक मैंने सुना है, Chudels are more like ghostly than Diane. Diane seems like shapeshifter. She does shapeshifting. Chudel is or this witch is a direct translation of Chudel, I would say.
So she is a
Yes.
human who can
No,
perform
Diane.
black
Chudels are
magic.
like whenever they are pregnant, the people like the ladies die whenever they're pregnant, they become Chudels. That's what I read when I was doing the research.
शाम्बो अगेन बहुत ज्यादा डिस्टरबेंस आ रहा
Okay, okay.
है. ईयरफोन्स ईयरफोन्स नहीं, but then who is a witch? See, my understanding of witch is a normal person who has learned black magic and who performs black magic. She is supposed to be the Diane, right?
नहीं, चुड़ैल I would say. Diane का मैंने ऐसा सुना है someone who is preys on kids in a sense. मैंने ये राजस्थानी in Rajasthan there is this thing like you until the kid is 5 or 6 you don't let him out of the house because of Dianes. If a Diane has eyes on your kid, he will die like that time. And then when you worry, you might not be found. You worry and leave.
Oh,
Yeah. There's this thing. It's said that they take out the heart of young kids. Diane.
I guess there is it Bangad Fort or the Ratnagad Fort? It was cursed by a Chudel, right?
Yeah, Ratangad is just like 12 kilometers from my native in Rajasthan.
Have you have anyone seen Nazar? Nazar किसका है? कौन सा मूवी है नजर?
That's why I've heard this Ratangad is very near.
Ratangad is in Rajasthan. Is it not in Rajasthan?
Ratangad is just near like 12 kilometers away from my home in Rajasthan. 12 to 14.
But I thought you were from Assam.
We live in Assam. My forefathers are from Rajasthan. Like
Oh,
my grandfather came in Assam and now we live in Assam, but we still have house in Rajasthan and all. We go there time to time.
Rajasthan is known to be a. It's prone, like it's manifested with ghosts or these kind of stories too. A lot. So okay. My wife also wants to join the meet. Yeah, sure, sure.
She'll join in like 5 minutes.
Oh, does she have any stories to share?
Yes, that's the reason she wants to join. She has many
Super.
stories. She belongs to a place called Korukonda in Vizianagaram.
Oh, okay, okay. Huh.
She studied there, so she has many experiences.
That's nice. That would be an awesome thing.
Yeah.
सांबो कहाँ चला गया भाई?
सब एक साथ ही बंद है.
I am back. I am back. अभी तो नहीं आ रहा ना?
नहीं भाई. Now you're very clear now.
Yes.
It is something to do with your speaker, man. Speaker में रखने से इतना आवाज आ रहा
हाँ हो
है. हो
सकता है.
पर इस पे तो भी आना चाहिए ना वो आवाज हेडफोन्स पे भी आना चाहिए ना.
Let's see.
क्या बैकग्राउंड नॉइसेस नहीं आती ना, बैकग्राउंड कैंसलेशन है इसमें.
हाँ.
Cancellation.
Noise
background
cancel. So noise.
हाँ.
So if you're using a noise cancel, it will actually cancel the noises of ghosts as well, is it?
Yes, it will be like this.
That's a super pitching point for
पर
us.
ये हमेशा हमेशा होता है. मतलब मैं जब नॉर्मली बात करता हूँ, लाइक अरुण से भी मैंने नॉर्मल बात की है फोन पे, डीक से भी की है, तुमसे भी की है, वैसे वो नहीं आता. पर ये पॉडकास्ट या फिर ऐसा कुछ होता है ना, हॉरर काइंड ऑफ बातें कर रहे होते हैं रात को, तो ही नॉइज आती है मेरे पीछे से. आई डोंट नो व्हाई.
ये मैंने भी नोटिस किया है. ये होता है.
कल तो ना इतना ज्यादा यार मैंने और तरुण ने सुना. वी लिटरली हर्ड दैट पायल का साउंड. चल
पायल एंड ऑल लास्ट वाला वो मैंने और तुमने सुना था सुरेश.
क्रिकेट
दैट वाज स्नेक साउंड. मुझे सुनाई नहीं दे रहा था भाई.
रैटल साउंड. इट वाज क्लियर रैटल डूड का करके इतना.
नहीं मेरे
चंद्रमुखी मूवी में देखा है ना वो स्नेक गोस्ट.
हाँ सारा इसके घर में जो भी इसके घर में जो भी एंटिक पीसेस है
उसमें भी वो पेंटिंग होता है ना, एक पेंटिंग ले आता है इसलिए वो गोस्ट.
हाँ.
मैं वैसे पेंटिंग्स बनाता भी हूँ.
वैसे पेंटिंग लेके आया था. वैसे नहीं हाउ वाज योर फ्रेंड डूइंग आफ्टर यू गिफ्टेड दैट पेंटिंग टू हिम?
हाँ, मैंने उससे बात की थी. उसके बाद एक बार कनेक्ट हुआ था, तो उसके दिमाग में तो था ही कि वो पेंटिंग से बुरी चीजें हो रही हैं. एंड उसका क्या हुआ, उसकी ग्रैंडमदर की डेथ हो गई उसके घर में. तो ही समहाउ कनेक्टेड विद दैट पेंटिंग, तो उसने वो फेंक दी. पर जरूरी नहीं है उसकी वजह से हुई हो, बट वो उसके घर में वो बोलने लगे कि
रिस्क लेना
कि ऐसा क्यों है. हाँ.
लाइफ बहुत बड़ी है, और चीजें मिल जाएगी, वो पेंटिंग क्यों रखना है, इतना रिस्क क्यों लेना.
राइट.
आई एम जस्ट सेइंग कि कोई
पर-
बंदा ऐसे गिरी हुई पेंटिंग मिली इतनी सुंदर और उठा के ले जाए.
नहीं ऐसा नहीं था. मैं उसे कोची से लेके आया था, एक बहुत ही एंटीक टाइप की शॉप से.
नहीं वो अभी ये
स्टार्ट होगा हॉरर मूवी.
अभी बताओ. अभी वो फेंका होगा किसी पे रोड पे कहीं फेंका होगा. अब जो बंदा उसको उठा के लेके आया एंड थिंक ऑफ इट इफ इट कम्स बैक टू हिम और समहाउ इट कम्स बैक टू हिम.
सही है.
That कैसे. One day you open the door, नीचे पेंटिंग पड़ा है. Open just painting.
वो वही लगी हुई है पेंटिंग उसी दीवार पे जहाँ पर थी. रात को कोई उठ के देख रहा है तो It will be very scary.
Shit, dude, अगर तेरे सामने सुबह उठा और तेरे सामने और दीवार पे ऊपर होगा, अगर वो पेंटिंग दिखा तो वैसे
होश होश
ये
हो
कुछ
जाएगी यार,
डेरिवेटिव
वापस
ये
नींद
कुछ
आ
I
जाएगी।
डेरिवेटिव
will, I will, I will gift wrap it and gift it to Neek then.
भाई
I
तेरे
was expecting
मत ही बोल, don't even
Yeah,
I'll get a
yeah, yeah.
gift which feels odd कि ये तो मेरे पास नहीं होना चाहिए. I'll post it back to where it came from. I'll not even touch it. I'll be like, please
खोलोगे तो
वापस ले जाओ. I know this is
खोलोगे
dumb.
तो सही ना.
No, 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 no. Zero, no chance. I won't even think of opening it. I'm scared as hell, bro.
Hmm.
अब पता नहीं अगर ये बोलेगा भाई तेरे को सैंपल कॉफी का सैंपल भेजा हूं एक बार सकले करके बोला तो तब क्या करेगा?
Why the hell are you giving him ideas? You know Sam, right? Sam is that kind
The
of person
ta-
who will do it.
the the tantric coffee.
Dude, what a name, Tantric Coffee.
Tantric
That's
coffee.
even better, bro.
It yeah.
Tantric Coffee अबे
मतलब
write this names dude. कल कल भी एक बोला था, कौन सा नेम बोला था? क्या था वो कल भी बोल?
haunting bear.
हाँ, Haunting Beer.
Haunting Bear is the option. We have this, but Tantric Coffee is like, you should keep like second trademark.
Tantric Coffee.
तांत्रिक कॉफी ये आपको सम्मोहित कर लेगी.
वाह, tagline भी आ
No,
गया
no, no,
बताओ.
no. It's like that movie, Shaitan.
बर्फी that चाय हाँ.
Oh.
No, that Laddu. Shaitan movie has
हाँ
Laddu.
लड्डू राइट
This is
हाँ
coffee.
लड्डू. और ये सही है यार, मतलब ये कॉफी बनाओ और मार्केट में वो भर दो, लोग खुद खरीद के पी रहे हैं.
सारे पैसे जमा करो, आर माधवन से ऐड बनवा लो, लड्डू कॉफी में डालते हुए, तांत्रिक कॉफी.
Tantric Coffee.
Want कॉफी?
Sip at your own
होगा
risk.
ना, इतना बड़ा मार्केटिंग इससे नहीं हुआ, थाला फॉर ए रीजन से नहीं हुआ. That वो
Sip at on your own risk.
At your own.
कॉफी, बट द तांत्रिक.
Tantric. हाँ.
Yeah.
बहुत सही होगा.
यार, I guess Shravani has joined. Shravani is Sriram's wife. Hey Shravani, hello.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi. I'm Sriram's friend. Sorry I couldn't come to your marriage. It's been a while though.
No problem.
Jesus,
I know.
Okay, thanks. No, you both are at the same location, right? Why are you logging into different accounts, dude?
I was about to say that.
I don't know. He gave me the link, so I joined.
You could have spoken from his account itself. I mean, okay, fine. He was saying that lot of you've got lot of experiences and lot
Oh
of
yeah.
information. Yeah, please go ahead.
Yeah. The place where I stayed, so it's called Kothkonda. It's a place near Vijayanagaram.
Okay.
So it's in Andhra. So that place is actually supposed to be a forest. It's famous for Sainik School. So because of that school, that place became famous. So my dad used to work over there, and we've had so many experience only because our quarters that the school has given us was in between lush green forest. So the part where we were discussing about Korividayam, right? So
Yeah.
we've had multiple instances, but one instance, my father's own best friend. So he and my father joined school at the same time. So that ghost, what happens is that ghost is famous for sexual desires. So Korividayam, that name came because of that.
Okay. Yeah, please go ahead. Then
Yeah,
I'll ask my questions.
yeah. So there's a place where you can travel from Korkonda. There's a 15 kilometers if you go from Korkonda. There's a place. I don't remember the name, but um, this ghost which is there, it's famous only because it doesn't haunt those villages which have a temple.
Okay.
So it only haunts those travelers who are traveling, who have no what do you call no, like if let's say you and me are traveling together, it will not haunt you, it will not take that chance. But that one day what happened is my father's best friend, he was traveling to Korkonda. So, and he was traveling at night. So, after he reached Korkonda, he had to take a short break. Uh, and then from there, he went to another place, which is 15 kilometers from there. So, there, this ghost, it didn't get married. So that place, the place that I told you, 15 kilometers away, it's famous for that only because every time that there is a marriage performed over there, uh, some or the other reason the marriage will stop. Like exactly at the Muhurat, it gets stopped some or the other way. So this ghost was, uh, what do they call them? A peon's, I don't know what they call in Hindi, but a peon's daughter. So she got rejected 15 times. So because of that, she buried her own self alive. So that happened, and from then, every time that any traveler who walks over there, it used to haunt them. It used to follow them, whoever is traveling. Only guys, not girls. And because she did not have that
వన్ సెకండ్ ఏ
needs
శ్రీరామ్
fulfilled. Yeah.
వన్ సెకండ్ శ్రీరామ్ కొంచెం వాయిస్ తగ్గిరా రీసౌండ్ వినిపిస్తుంది నీ వాల్యూమ్ తగ్గించి లేకపోతే ఒక దాంట్లో నువ్వు మ్యూట్లో మాట్లాడుతున్నావు వీఆర్ అనేబుల్
I am on mute.
నో we are able to hear right because
Okay, okay.
you are also able to hear right.
Your speaker also should be like very
Yeah.
because it
Decrease the volume on your phone. Yeah. Okay.
What was happening with Shamu's screen?
Sorry, what?
Is it okay now?
Sorry, what happened?
No. Oh, I see some blue light on your face.
Shamba projector.
Yeah,
Okay, okay.
yeah, I have a projector on. Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah. Now I guess it is fine. Maybe she can try.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, we can hear you.
Okay. So, what happened is when they were traveling, that ghost only targets men who have crossed puberty. So, when he was traveling, he was not married. He was a young chap at that time. So he was traveling, and he felt a ghost. Someone was following him, and the mistake that he did was he stopped. He had a flashlight, and he was looking here and there. He could see no one. So he was like, okay, if something is very eerie, and let's walk away. So he was walking, and he was singing some songs, and he was walking. And he called my father. He said, there's something wrong with this place. I'm finding it very difficult. Can you come? I'll stop here. He said, no, my wife is alone and my kids are also there, so I cannot come. You don't think about all that. You just go. So after like hours time, my dad received a call from his family, his wife, that he didn't come home. So then my father, along with so they have these panchayats, right?
Mm-hmm.
So that person, my father, and two others went, and then he found my father's best friend naked on the forest near a tree, nothing on. He didn't have anything on, and he was just lying there with a lot of things. So later they found out that when they went to the police station that this was happening. So basically, what happened is that ghost, it used to fulfill its sexual urges from travelers who used to travel there only because she had that um, jealousy feeling that she didn't get married, everybody rejected her. And then every guy who has been there, she did the same thing with everyone. And the common factor was every guy who was killed over there was naked with his legs and his under the waist, everything was wet and very bloody and weird to look.
Oh, did she
That's the
also
story.
did your father's friend also died, or was he okay by then?
No, no, he died. That's how we got to know. After 1 hour that he called my father, he received a call from his wife that my father's best friend did not come home. So my father, it was I think 3 or 3:30 at night. So then my father, along with the panchayat and two others, they went with stick because that forest was famous for tigers. So they thought maybe a tiger came and that's why they went. But no, this is what happened because it's very weird, right? When you see he had no marks. There were no like if a
But
tiger scratching you, there are marks and all that. Nothing was there. The face was, he was smiling, and below the waist, everything was wet and bloody, and he was completely naked. So after that incident, they got to know that there were 80 other guys who died the same way. From then onwards, they closed that area and they completely relocated the entire village to Porkonda, and they've given them jobs in Sainik school as assistants, lab assistants, and fuels and all of that. So that's the story. That's one of the stories.
shit. Do you know the name of the area by any chance?
I don't remember, but it's close to Korkonda. If you search for Korkonda, right,
Yeah.
it's now full of forest. Its Sainik school is still there,
Mm-hmm.
but it's close to Korkonda. I'll check with my father and tell Sriram, but now I don't remember the name.
Shit. It was scary, and I mean, I wouldn't say funny though, but yeah, it is.
It's scary as hell, man. Dying at night suddenly.
Shit.
Shama, one place you can visit.
Yeah,
Sham,
sure. If you give me the address. Is this a
Sham,
Golconda fort
Korkonda. No,
related to
no,
Golconda?
no. There is a place in Vijayanagaram. It's a coastal area.
Okay. Hmm.
There's an adjacent city to my city as well.
Yeah, so
So
you can
Oh,
find your
Hmm.
dream girl.
What
yeah,
in that area?
no, maybe she would find his dream boy. Fine.
Maybe she can join with me in the next podcast.
Yeah, and you can say
Eh,
they could never join that page and would never join that podcast.
yeah, yeah. I visited one place when I was
Sorry. Uh,
when I was living in Chennai. I visited a place, Trunken Bar. Have you ever heard about that?
no.
So, Trunken Bar is a place bit far from Chennai, but I went there. So there is a fort over there. So there is also some Portuguese, or I guess Portuguese fort only. So there also some ghost stories was there that there was a in that corridor of the fort a Portugal lady roam around and killing all these things. So some kind of same story is also over there, Trunken
But
Fort.
okay. No, but the thing which I wanted to ask Ravan was, see, I understand, but you called it Koreadevan, right? But my understanding of Koreadevan was by the name it goes Koribi means in Telugu it's the what do you call it? The fire that was put to the dead body, right? Like the last ritual when you are when a person dies during the last ritual when you burn the person,
the
that's what is called Korivi, at least in Telugu. So that's how the name came into picture. So it says the ghost or the entity will roam around with a flame on its head.
correct.
That's Kurvidayam, but whatever you suggesting was more of a Kama Pisachi kind of thing, right?
No, no. So it got its name. I understood your point. Koriv
Yeah,
Petadam antaru kada.
yeah, exactly,
So
yeah.
this lady who killed herself,
Mm-hmm.
she she literally burnt her. So if you've seen this movie Arundhati,
Ha.
she burns herself, right? This lady also did the same thing, and they don't
Okay.
have this ritual that if it's a spinster or if a lady is a virgin and she
Hmm.
did not get married, they cannot burn her in that village. So
Yeah.
she personally burned herself, and she dug a hole, she burned herself, and in the same hole she died. She didn't cover herself with sand and all. She couldn't do that, obviously. So she dug a hole, she burned herself, and her ash got buried. That's how she got that name.
Oh shit, that's a painful way to die. So, how long back did this happen?
This was when I was in my fifth class. I think 2000, 2001, 2, somewhere in that.
Oh, it's not really. It's in the
Yeah,
2000s, which was like quite recent.
correct.
Oh.
After that, in Korkonda itself, uh, how do I say it? So, I'll tell you in Telugu,
Yeah, yeah, sure.
if you can. So, దెయ్యం దేవుడు పూండం అంటారు కదా.
అవునవును.
దేవుడు పూండం, not దెయ్యం.
ఓ
That
మాతాచల్.
happened. There were, yes, correct, Mata. So that happened twice. One, a lady, after that incident, just 2 years after that incident, same family. So my father's best friend's relative used to stay in Kolkata. So that family, Krishna Poonera, that
Oh.
was one instance. After that, there were twice. So one is Krishna. Second
Okay.
was Durga Devi. So they got these neem leaves and all that. That happened. Only after these two incidents, all of these stopped. Until then, every other day we used to hear someone getting killed, and in a very weird manner.
Wow. So now the village, that entire village is evacuated, is it? There's no one living in that village.
Yeah, everything. Yes, everyone got transferred to Korkonda Science School.
Wow, that would be one place to explore. Dude. If there are any enthusiasts, haunted places enthusiasts. Yeah, I know. I know you. You are that person. That's a scary story, man. So nothing has happened after that since then. So, but you said that 80 people died, is it, because of this?
Yes, yes, 80 people died, and all were men.
How come there was no
We
news? Like,
Right, only because until then, uh, until my father's best friend passed away, nobody received any calls and anything.
Check on them.
Correct, because it was a big forest. Nobody knew what happened.
It's like that Rajasthan Gaon story that everybody evacuated that.
that night.
Kuldhara, Kuldhara,
Kuldara.
Kuldhara, Kuldhara. I went there in Kuldhara. So there are ruins of that village. So there is a story of Kuldhara that there is a king. So he asked, उसने पूछा एक विलेजर की लड़की से कि शादी करने के लिए. सो वहां पर वो विलेजर जो थे वो शादी नहीं करना चाहते थे लड़की की किंग से, तो उन्होंने सबने डिसाइड किया कि वो इवैक्यूएट कर देंगे. तो सबके सब गांव वाले उस जगह को एज इट इज छोड़ के चले गए और श्राप दे दिया उस गांव को दैट इट विल रिमेन कर्स और वहां पर कोई रह नहीं पाएगा. तो जब से वहां कोई रह नहीं पाया.
बेसिकली मतलब वो था क्या बोलते हैं, बीकानेर रियासत का राजा का साला था. So he came and he said कि मुझे ये लड़की चाहिए, नहीं तो कल मैं
हाँ
गांव को खत्म कर दूंगा. तो ये लोग रातों रात पूरा
हाँ,
खाली कर
रातों
दिया.
रात चले
और
गए.
ये कहा जाता है कि गांव वालों ने सबने श्राप दिया है कि उस गांव में कोई रात को नहीं रह सकता, एक रात नहीं रुक पाएगा.
नहीं नहीं, वो तो रात को रुकने वाला तो दैट्स भानगढ़. वहां तक कुलधारा में कोई वहां पर सेटल नहीं हो पाएगा.
सेटल कोई रुक नहीं पाएगा, ऐसा सुना है मैंने. कोई सेटल नहीं हो पाएगा,
हाँ, कोई रह नहीं पाएगा.
रह नहीं
वो
पाएगा.
भानगढ़ का है कि भानगढ़ में मैं
4
भानगढ़
बजे
भी जा
बाद
चुका हूँ.
जाते हैं, शाम को 4 बजे बाद
हाँ,
जाना है. हाँ, वो तो
तो
वर्ल्ड का
वहां पर
सबसे
है भी
हॉरर
कि
प्लेस है भाई.
मैं वहां पर गया था, तो मैंने भानगढ़ में ट्राई किया था, जो जो चीजें मना थी ना वो चीजें करके जाने की, ये ताकि कुछ दिखे। मतलब वहां था, कुछ चीजें मना होती है, जैसे वहां ऑयल नहीं लगा के जाना होता, तो मैं ऑयल लगा के गया था, और थोड़ा सा गांव वाला ड्रेसअप करके गया था। तो जब वहां पे एक्चुअली एक स्टोरी भी है। तो मैं और मेरे दो दोस्त गए थे, तो वो जयपुर से लगभग 2 घंटे 2.5 घंटे की दूरी पे है, तो हमने एक ऑटो किया था, बड़ा वाला ऑटो। सो जब हम जा रहे थे तो बीच में से एक जगह पड़ रही थी, जिसके एक साइड में दलदल था और एक साइड में पानी टाइप का था, तो और बीच में बहुत पतली रोड थी। एंड इट वाज लाइक अ किलोमीटर, नॉट अ किलोमीटर बट या हाफ अ किलोमीटर लॉन्ग रोड, वेरी नैरो रोड बिटवीन द दलदल मडी एरिया एंड वाटर। तो एक बूढ़ी औरत थी, उन्होंने उससे पहले लिफ्ट मांगी हमसे, तो हमने दे दी। वो पूरा वैसे ड्रेसअप होता है ना, राजस्थानी टाइप का, ब्लैक कलर के घाघरा चोली एंड ऑल दीज थिंग्स, वैसा।
Regalia dress.
हाँ हाँ। तो वो पीछे ऑटो के बैठ गई, और फिर जब वो लेन आई ना, तो उसने उसके बीच में बोला, और उसके आसपास कोई सेटलमेंट भी नहीं थी, मतलब कोई गाँव वाँव नहीं है। तो उसके बीच में बोला कि यहाँ पर उतार दो। तो हमने ऑटो रुकवाया और वो वहां उतर गई। फिर आफ्टर जस्ट फ्यू सेकंड्स हमने पीछे मुड़ के देखा, तो वो औरत कहीं नहीं थी, और कहीं जाने का रास्ता भी नहीं था। एक साइड दलदल था और एक साइड पानी था।
Oh, you told the story when you turn back.
Yeah.
He got out.
Yeah, when I turned back, there is no one. Yeah.
Hello.
या फिर भानगढ़ पर मैं गया, पर वहां पर ऐसा मुझे इतना कुछ महसूस नहीं हुआ। थोड़ी तबीयत खराब जरूर हुई थी, बट ऐसा मुझे कुछ मिला नहीं वहां पे। भानगढ़ में मैं अकेला भी रूइंस में अंदर अंदर तक अकेला भी गया था, बट कुछ मिला नहीं वहां पे। पर वहां पर यह है कि जानवर जो है ना वहां पे, एनिमल्स, वो काफी ज्यादा मतलब निडर है, मतलब वो डरते नहीं है। तो मोर पक्षी वगैरह भी तुम्हारे पास आ जाएंगे। तो ये भी एक हो सकती है चीज कि अगर जैसे कोई रात को वहां रुके ना, तो एनिमल्स वहां पर तुम पे अटैक कर दें। तो एक्चुअली वो रूल ही से लागू हुआ था, क्योंकि कई लोग वहां पर जो शाम को या फिर लेट शाम को गए थे, दिन छिपने के बाद गए थे, वो उनकी डेड बॉडीज मिली थी। तो उसके बाद गवर्नमेंट ने रूल लगा दिया था कि कि शाम को वहां पर कोई रुक नहीं सकता। बट इट कैन बी एनिमल्स ऑल्सो, कि एनिमल्स मार रहे हो लोगों को।
लेकिन नेट जियो वाले वो आए थे ना, like they said this is the most horror place in the world.
हाँ, वो वहां फील होता है, क्योंकि वो पूरा का पूरा गांव है, और किसी भी जो घर की या फिर महल की छत नहीं है। और वो इतनी क्लीन है कि जैसे कि बटर नहीं काटते नाइफ से, ऐसी क्लीन तरीके से सबकी छत काटी हुई है। और सब पत्थर वत्थर के हैं, तो वो हो नहीं सकता। तो दुकानें दिखेंगी, घर दिखेंगे, और सबकी रूफ नहीं है, किसी की भी रूफ नहीं है, सिर्फ वहां पर 2-3 मंदिर है, उसकी रूफ है। और एक जो जिसका श्राप था वो बाबा का, उसके ऊपर एक कोठरी है वो। तो एक्चुअली इसकी स्टोरी ये थी कि भानगढ़ की एक रानी थी, वो बहुत ज्यादा सुंदर थी, ठीक है। और वहां पर एक बाबा रहता था, साधु रहता था, उसको रानी बहुत पसंद थी। तो रानी का एक फेवरेट परफ्यूम था जो वो मार्केट से खरीदती थी, बाबा को ये पता था। तो उसने परफ्यूम पे जादू कर दिया बाबा ने, कि इसको जैसे ही वो लगाएगी वो उसकी तरफ खिंची चली आएगी। तो रानी ने अपनी दासी से वो परफ्यूम मंगाया। दासी ने जब रानी को लाके दिया, तो रानी थोड़ी सस्पिशियस हो गई, और उसने वो खिड़की से बाहर फेंक दिया। और वो परफ्यूम की बोतल जाके एक चट्टान पे गिर गई, एक बड़े से पत्थर पे गिर गई। और वो पत्थर फिर उससे अट्रैक्ट हो गया साधु से, और वो साधु के ऊपर जाके गिर गया। तो साधु ने श्राप दिया था कि यहाँ कोई रह नहीं पाएगा, और जब तक मुझे ये रानी मिल नहीं जाती, जब तक यहाँ पे कोई भी नहीं रह पाएगा।
रत्नावती। रत्नावती है क्या स्वरानी का नाम?
हाँ, रत्नावती। हाँ, शायद रत्नावती, रूपवती, समथिंग लाइक दिस ओनली।
बहुत सारा स्टोरी बना के है, ये वाला भी मैंने सुना।
अरे कृष्ण का मंदिर है वहां पे,
तो
लाइक नोबडी स्टेज
हनुमान मंदिर है,
नहीं, कृष्ण जी का
हनुमान मंदिर है वहाँ।
नहीं।
वहां पे 3 मंदिर ही है, एक बाबा का मंदिर है ऊपर, साधु का जिसमें वो रहता है। तो आज भी वो कहते हैं, उस जो ऊपर जो छोटा सा मंदिर है वहां पर वो साधु वेट कर रहा है। तो जब भी वो जो रानी थी वो अपना पुनर्जन्म लेके वहां पर वापस आ जाएगी, तो वो ट्रैप हो जाएगा। तो अभी तक साधु वहां पर वेट कर रहा है। तो
अरे
एक
तो
हनुमान मंदिर है, और हो सकता है कृष्ण मंदिर भी हो।
अरे कि ये फियर फाइल्स पे एपिसोड भी आया था किसके ऊपर, बांगड़ फोर्ट के ऊपर, लाइक रियल ओरिजिनल
हम्म
वाला। लाइक झांसी की रानी का शूट हो रहा था वहां पे,
हाँ हाँ हाँ
वो एपिसोड, इट वाज अ रियल इंसिडेंट का थे, वो एक्ट्रेस
हाँ।
के साथ हुआ वो।
पर पर्सनली जो मेरा एक्सपीरियंस है, मुझे ऐसा कुछ भूतिया नहीं दिखा। मैं मतलब वहां पे अकेला भी बहुत अंदर तक गया रूम्स में, पर मुझे वहां पर कुछ भूतिया नहीं दिखा।
बहुत लोगों का आजकल गए हैं वहां पे बोलते हैं कि कुछ मिला नहीं हुआ। It's just
हाँ, रूमर।
बट मृत्यु वाले में क्या है कि ये तो कुछ तो होगा, पता नहीं पहले के राजा लोग ऐसे थे, इतने लोगों को मार के रखते थे, हर किले में एक दो भूत तो ऐसे ही होंगे।
But it was
हाँ
known,
ट्रू।
it's known to have like bad effects on your life. Like if you once visited there and you've stayed beyond some amount of time, at least that's what I've seen a recent video. जो भी एक बंदा था वो haunted places में जा रहा था, so he what at the legend or some of this something of the day same sort, so has gone there, he stayed for some time and he provoked the person who kind of, I guess it was he guys provoked the person. He was just shouting there after he stayed beyond 6 o'clock and he started shouting for a while, provoking the people over there. And when once he started coming back, he started things started happening, bad things started happening to him. Like पहले while he was going, all of a sudden his जो भी अचानक उसका टायर का पंक्चर हो गया, उसके बाद उसका हार्ड ड्राइव पूरा क्रैश हो गया था। यू कैन रिलेट दिस डूड, यू कैन रिलेट दिस थिंग। वो उसके बाद वो हैज गॉन टू अ डिफरेंट प्लेस। वेस्ट बंगाल में कुछ और ये क्या बोलते हैं, एक और हॉन्टेड प्लेस पे गया था, एटलीस्ट दैट्स व्हाट ही वाज शोइंग इन दिस वीडियो। हैज फर्स्ट गॉन टू राजस्थान का वो बानगढ़ फोर्ट पे गया था। फोर्ट के बाद he provoked the ghost over there or whatever the curse over there. While he was coming back, उसका टायर फ्लैट हो गया था, उसका कार का टायर फ्लैट हो गया था। He did not bother. Then once he reached वेस्ट बंगाल, वो जाके देखा तो उसके निधिवन, I don't know सागर। Once he has
ओके,
reached,
निधिवन इज डिफरेंट। निधिवन इज वृंदावन।
वो वाला है ना वृंदावन की तरफ वाला वो।
हाँ
हाँ
कृष्ण जी
हाँ,
का।
जहाँ पर कृष्ण जी का,
रहते नहीं, हाँ।
उसका
उधर
वहां पर भी गया हूँ मैं। वहां की स्टोरी है कि वहां पर बहुत सारे पेड़ हैं, ठीक है। तो वहां कहते हैं वो सारे वो हैं, गोपियां हैं, और रात को वो सारे, हाँ, गोपियां बन जाती है और कृष्ण रासलीला करता है। पर जो भी वहां पे रुकता है वो पागल हो जाता है, और वो फिर बता नहीं सकता किसी को। तो कहते भी एक लड़का रुका था वहां पे, रुक गया था, छुप के बैठ गया था, फिर वो पागल हो गया था। फिर किसी को वो कुछ ज्यादा बता नहीं पाया, फिर उसकी डेथ हो गई
प्लस एक और
वहां पर
एक
फिर।
बोलते हैं
हाँ
ना, बोले जैसे कृष्ण भगवान का वो जो मूर्ति जो है वो मंदिर का, उनको सुलाते हैं, पूरा एकदम प्रॉपर सुलाते हैं, और सुबह वो पूरा बिखरा मिलता है हमेशा, कि जो भी श्रृंगार
हाँ
करके सुलाते हैं वो सब श्रृंगार
हाँ।
कहते हैं ऐसा। आई डोंट नो, मे बी इट इज लीजेंड, बट हाँ।
वृंदावन में तो बहुत ही डिफरेंट हो रहा है। मतलब वहां पर जाओगे ना तो प्रेजेंस फील होती रहेगी। मैं वृंदावन गया था, मुझे ऐसे ही लग रहा था कि मैं पता नहीं कृष्ण जी के टाइम पे पहुंच गया वो उस वाले। तो वृंदावन का पूरा एक्सपीरियंस ऐसा ही है। इट इज रियली ग्रेट।
but these things like there are places, वो भी एक और देख रहा था मैं न्यूज़ पे कि there was a place where this guy which कौन है वो बंदा, इधर लेके घूमता है माथे पे एक is one of the seven immortals, eight immortals or seven,
अश्वत्थामा, अश्वत्थामा।
Ashwadama, yeah, Ashwadama. There is a temple which Ashwadama comes around every night, every
हाँ हाँ हाँ।
it is said to have there is such place.
हम्म।
थिंग कॉल्ड, कोई स्टोरी बनाया था विक्रम या अशोक को मिला था अश्वत्थामा, ही फॉलोड द गॉड, ऐसा कुछ स्टोरी भी सुना है मैंने।
ये ऐसा तो कुछ स्टोरी नहीं सुनी मैंने। विक्रम कौन? विक्रम बेताल वाला विक्रम? वो विक्रम?
विक्रमादित्य, राजा विक्रमादित्य।
हाँ हाँ हाँ। नहीं अब तो नहीं,
उनका
डिविएट होने के लिए हमको टाइम है। लेट्स नॉट डिविएट टू द गुड पार्ट, लेट्स स्टिक टू द इविल पार्ट फर्स्ट। गुड पार्ट
तो मेरे पास भी एक, हाँ हाँ, इस बार लैपटॉप नहीं कुछ और होगा।
बंदा अकेला है पूरा वो पीजी में, बता रहा हूँ रात को
मैं भी अकेला हूँ। मैं भी अकेला ही रहता हूँ।
पीजी में दो चार लोग होंगे।
वो पूरा, हाँ है क्या, लोग हैं क्या अभी वापस आ गए?
नहीं, मतलब पूरा बिल्डिंग में दो चार लोग हैं, 4
हाँ।
फ्लोर्स का बिल्डिंग है।
you're living alone in your apartment. It's just your flat, dude. This fellow is living alone in an entire floor. है ना, कोई नहीं है ना तेरे फ्लोर पे.
that will be good.
पता पता नहीं इस बगल वाले दीवार से कुछ आवाज आया कर टक 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 करके.
इधर वाले रूम में भी, इधर वाले रूम में भी.
एक हॉस्टल से रिलेटेड मेरे पास डरावनी स्टोरी है, और मुझे ज्यादातर डरावनी मतलब जो घोस्ट स्टोरीज होती है ना, उससे डर नहीं लगता, बट इससे मुझे बहुत डर लगा था, वो मैं सुनाता हूँ. तो एक मेडिकल, हाँ, पर ये मतलब उससे नहीं है, मेडिकल कॉलेज की बात है. तो एक मेडिकल कॉलेज था, तो वहां पे है ना न्यू स्टूडेंट्स आए, तो उन्होंने प्रैंक करने के लिए क्या किया, जो क्या बोलते हैं उसे, जो स्टूडेंट न्यू बीज के साथ करते हैं,
रैगिंग.
रैगिंग. हाँ हाँ. तो उन्होंने क्या किया कि जो पोस्टमार्टम रूम होता है ना, वहां एक लड़की को बंद कर दिया, और वो नई नई आई थी, तो उनको इस चीज का एक्सपोजर नहीं होता, तो वो बहुत ज्यादा डर गई, तो उसको है ना वो खोलना ही भूल गए, वो पूरी रात वहीं रही. ठीक है. तो हाँ, तो नहीं नहीं, पोस्टमार्टम रूम में नहीं है, थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट है. जो उसका रूम था ना, जो उसका रूम था लड़की का, वो वहां उस रूम में किसी ने एक कटा हुआ हाथ रख दिया, था, और बाहर से उसका रूम लॉक कर दिया था, क्योंकि पोस्टमार्टम में होते ही है ना डेड बॉडीज, तो कटा हुआ हाथ रूम में रख दिया और सामने से रूम लॉक कर दिया. फिर वो रात भर लड़की पहले तो चिल्लाई, फिर आवाज चिल्लाने की बंद हो गई, तो सब हंस के अपने अपने रूम में चले गए. सुबह जब उन्होंने हॉस्टल का रूम खोला, तो वो ऊपर जो छत्ती नहीं होती ज्यादातर अलमारी के ऊपर, वो वहां बैठी हुई थी और वो ही हाथ खा रही थी.
This is an urban.
और हाँ,
This
वो
is an urban legend.
हाथ खा रही थी वो.
Yeah.
पर ये काफी लोग कहते भी हैं कि ये सच है, और इससे मुझे बहुत डर हुआ था. मतलब मेरे कॉलेज के टाइम की बात थी जब मैंने सुनी थी, और मेरे कॉलेज में भी ऐसी दुझत्ती थी अलमारी के ऊपर, तो मैं देख नहीं पा रहा था पूरी रात उस दुझत्ती को. मुझे बार बार लग रहा था कि कोई बैठा है वहां पे और खा रहा है कुछ. फिर फीलिंग स्केरी.
सामान है.
अरे वो रात को पता नहीं चलता ना कौन बैठा है, सामान है, क्या है.
लाइट स्विच ऑफ करने के बाद तेरे को वो दिखेगा भाई, सिर्फ काला.
You don't know about me. I can't switch off light and sleep at night.
Oh, I guess it was Ritu. You're saying something. Ritu is Ravani.
I was talking about some temple, like, you know, there is this village where it said that if you stay at night, you're gonna turn into a rock.
Oh.
So what's there was this sadhu baba who used to go, who went there. He was like, he's a banjara, he's a sadhu baba, a ghori, you can say, not a sadhu baba, a ghori types, and he used to roam here and there like a banjara. So he visited that village. He was so ugly that nobody gave him any type of bhiksha. Nobody provided him food nor water. He was very thirsty. No one ever cared to give him food or anything. He kept asking, but everybody ignored. Everybody even made fun out of him. You're so ugly. Look at your hands. They are like bones. You're looking like a skeleton. And they made fun of him. So there was this girl. There was only one girl who gave him little water and little food. This was the only water. She bought it from far away. Well, she gave it to him. After drinking that, he said कि शाम के 7 बजे शाम होते ही तुम यहाँ से चली जाओ. Before the sun sets, you go away from, pack all your things, what all important, you take all your important things and go away from this village. Don't ask why or anything, just go away and never return to this village, he said to that girl. After that, he gave that whole village, श्राप. He cursed the whole village that यहाँ पे हर कोई पत्थर बन जाए, और जो भी रात में यहाँ पे रुकेगा वो सब पत्थर बन जाए. I hope you can understand Hindi.
Yeah.
You all will turn into stones as the sun sets. And after that, anyone came to the village. It is like it is said that anyone who visits that village at night and stays the whole night there, uh, literally they'll turn into stone. I don't know how much um, truth or how much
Do you know by any chance, do you know the name of the place or the temple?
No, I'm
Yeah,
unable to
even I
remember
heard
the
about it.
name.
Yeah, I don't know the place, but I heard about this story. And there is the story of uh, in South place there is also this story of people who turned into stones. Like there was also one story, but I don't remember exact story. But there was this story as well in the south side as well. तो शिव जी का श्राप था उनके पर ऐसा कुछ था. There was this other
This
story.
reminds this reminds me of Medusa's story.
Uh, it's a curse on Rajasthan Kiruda temple that turns humans into stones. Something. Let me share this one. I just found something. भाई राजस्थान आपका ये
राजस्थान में बहुत सारी horror stories होती है. Like the whole Rajasthan is hundreds or not thousands.
is this the one? Curse on Rajasthan Kiradu temple that turns humans into stones. Temple, mysterious temple where people turn into stones at night. Oh, this is the one. I guess this is the one. Yes, Pete, and today we will talk about Kirura Temple Rajasthan where people fear to stay post evening. Nobody wants to stay in this temple at night. The reason behind this is quite interesting. People believe that whoever stays in the temple at night turns into stone. So, without any delay, let's start into. Oh shit! There is actually a person in distance about 35 kilometers from Burma. Kiruda temples are the main tourist attraction for the area. Could be the curse of Judah. So many places, so many places in India have kind of stories, myths, and legends behind them. So a lot of Parmara among such places just not recently. Abhi, the land was known at Kiribati during the time where so the king can rule this place during the conquest of Robert and London. The fear of foreign invasion upset the king and the Azad in order to keep the people of the kingdom going on. He requested the sage to bless the stay in the winter. He offered him to care of it. Blessed with the presence of the grain saint, the king's land was happy and prosperous again. One day the saint decided to leave the place but asked no one, the disciples, to stay in the kingdom to safeguard it. One of the disciples. In the absence of the saint, the king and his people forgot about the saint's disciple and got busy in their own lives. Meanwhile, the saint's disciple fell sick, but no one except a potter's wife paid any heed to him. When the saint returned back to the kingdom's land, he got furious, seeing his disciples ill health. He cursed the people of that land, saying, "A place which has no humanity must not be burdened with humankind." As a result of the curse, all the people turned into stones. The saint only let the potter's wife free of this curse. He told her to leave the village as soon as she could and not to look back while leaving. The woman followed saint's advice, but as she was almost out of the village, she looked back out of curiosity. This made her into a stone too. It is believed that the reason nobody lives around this place as it is cursed to stay abundant. As discussed, it is common belief that anyone staying in that place at the night would turn into stone. Maybe many people will also believe that those who turn into rocks turn into sand and over a period of time. Nobody visits this place after sunset due to these kind of stories behind Kiradu temples. Such stories may make places interesting, but on the other side, they also deter many people from visiting such places. Okay. I guess this is the place, Ritu. Kiradu Temple.
Yeah, a bit confusion with my story, but as
Yeah,
though
yeah. The
briefly.
gist is, yeah, the gist is the same though.
Hmm.
Wow.
There are many legends, if you urban legends, if you say, India. Like, if you ever heard of Moon Ochwa, or if you ever heard of Baba Sahib, uh, Bullet Baba, or the
I have heard of
I've heard
Yeah,
Bullet.
yeah.
I've heard of Bullet Baba.
Neem Karodi Baba something.
Karoli is different. Bullet Baba is about
They still have that bullet, and they still pray for the bullet even till date.
Yeah,
no car, no bike goes around that place without praying to it.
Uh,
mm,
and and also,
and there
I
is
guess.
stone. There is a stone like a heavy stone where like you can easily lift. If four people try to lift it, you can easily lift it. There is this huge stone at a place.
I don't know, but I think there is one more Agrasen ki Bauli or something like this. Something Bauli. Agrasen ki Bauli or
Yeah,
something like this, I guess.
that's near Jaipur only. Yeah, I went there, but there is nothing like this. I
No,
don't know
sorry.
exactly the story, but yeah.
Bullet as in the guns, bullet or bullet. So I
Bullet
haven't
bike, bullet bike.
bullet bike, which Sriram has, classic, Royal Enfield classic. So I can show you the picture. So he was
What's the
a.
story? You know the story of Bullet Baba?
I don't remember. He was an ex-army person, and he
Yeah,
died
he was
during
an
a war.
ex-army person. He was very nice person, and he died by accident near that temple, I believe. So they
He
used,
loved his bullet so much.
yeah, and
Yeah.
he loved his bullet that much that it felt like new even after years and years. So he died through an accident. So now everyone have to create Om Banna. Om Banna is Om Banna na. We know Om Banna. I forgot the name actually. Like
What?
in Jaipur, we have a house, so we have Om Bannas, these all things, photos and all. I have, I think, no, I didn't visit it, but I heard like I was supposed to, but I didn't.
And there was another. I guess, is it the same person, or I don't know, but there was other person as well. There is another. He is also a military guy. So, and he saved many people
Oh
during
yeah,
the
yeah,
war.
that is different. That this
Every
BBC
year,
Vice made a video on
every,
him, right?
not
That
not I don't know, but every year, Indian Army, even
yes.
till date, they actually book a train ticket for him. They'll, oh shit, I'm getting goosebumps. I don't know why. Though.
Even
Shit,
I got, hey bro, I got goosebumps exact same time.
seriously, man.
Yeah,
No,
I have also heard that story. I had goosebumps.
that there is some. I guess there is a guy who died during a war or something, and he helped those things
In Arunachal.
in Arunachal. So every year, even till date, even today, Indian Army books train tickets for this person and the name of this person. They will fill in his luggage in that under that seat. Oh shit! I'm getting goosebumps. I don't know why.
Same, I'm getting goosebumps, bro. Don't.
Uh,
I am
yeah.
also getting goosebumps. I'm trying to. That's why I deviate the story.
Once he reaches his place, the people from that village comes around. They'll take out the luggage from the train or something of that sort, and they'll again put back the luggage in the same compartment or wherever the train ticket has been booked for him, and the luggage is sent back to the
Harbhajan
what
Singh, Baba Harbhajan Singh.
Baba Harbhajan Singh, exactly,
Harbhajan
yeah.
Singh, yeah. It was like kuch Singh tha naam. Baba Harbhajan Singh, yeah. And it is very much true. This he got salary till he got retired. Like for his lifetime, he got salary.
Yeah,
Then he died after till 60.
and he does look like Akshay Kumar, a lot look like Akshay Kumar. See,
And it is used to say that till now, whenever there is some problem, he comes in the other soldiers'
yeah.
dreams and guides them.
इसका जो भी box है, they always, I guess this is the box.
Yeah,
This
they
box is
send
not
in every holiday and then get back in every.
exactly.
Shavni wants to say something, I
Yeah,
guess.
Shravani, yeah.
Yeah. My father told me that place. It's called Chandrampeta.
Oh,
After that incident, they constructed a. I mean, um, how should I say it? the Mutyalamma Talli temple తెలుసా? అక్కడ వెళ్ళేసారు అమ్మవారు. After that incident, they found out that this happened. So now it's famous for Mutyalamma Talli temple.
Sirasilla, sir? No, Chandrampeta?
No, it's Chandrampeta only. So there is a cemetery, right, in Vennapadu. This incident took place near that cemetery.
Yeah. Shambhav. That's the right eligible.
So that's the Baba, right?
ये वाला बोल
Also, Chandrampeta.
Okay. What's the story of Chandrampeta? So then, what happened there?
Oh, yes.
Like वहाँ पे-
Shravani's father's best friend died.
Okay.
So that's okay.
You can search on it, about it.
Yeah. These things never came out, dude.
But I have heard a movie in the same name. I guess वो translation में कुछ और हो गया होगा. But चंद्रमपेटा नाम का एक मूवी देखा है मैंने कभी टीवी में.
No, you've seen Chandramukhi and you're confusing it to Chandrampeta.
नहीं, क्या
Chandrakala,
होता है
I
ना,
guess.
they translate very vaguely. तो उधर कुछ और नाम होगा, they just translate.
No. There was, as far as I know, there was no movie because I don't think this never came into picture. They actually stayed with this with that place and they never came into light.
Not exactly. कुछ अजीब सा ही होगा.
Have you guys seen Nagavalli?
No.
Bad movie.
Venkatesh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Don't even.
That movie was shot in Sainik school only. Next Saturday, I'll
Oh.
tell you about that.
Which the house
So-
they stayed in, is it Sainik? It is
Huh.
Sainik Studio.
Yeah.
Actually, there.
That guy, the
Yes,
lover
sorry.
stays in a place, right?
Okay. Huh.
That whole area is shot in Sainik School, Korkonda. That you know this Kota, Vijayanagaram Kota.
Mm-hmm.
That so they had an underground tunnel to Sainik School Palace. So in that palace, that Maharani, she died over there. I'll tell you that later. Next Saturday, I'll tell you.
Sure.
Actually, there is one more story which is related to my house. I already narrated this before. So it is related to my Delhi house. So actually, we before my birth we stayed in Chandni Chowk, and then we shifted to Krishnanagar. So we bought that house. So before we shifted over there, there was a young woman married over there. So एक नई दुल्हन वहाँ पे शादी करके आई थी. तो उसको दहेज की वजह से बिकॉज ऑफ ड्राउडी उसको जला दिया था. ठीक है. और वो मर गई थी वहां पे. उसके बाद हमने वो घर खरीद लिया था. फिर उस घर में एक्चुअली 4 अपार्टमेंट टाइप के थे. तो जब हम रहते थे वहां पे, मैं अपने ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स के साथ वहां रहता था और अपनी बुआ के साथ वहां रहता था. तो इट विल फील लाइक कि रात को ना वहां पे छत से पायल की आवाज आती थी, छम 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 इस टाइप की. और हमारे जो सीढ़ियां थी ना वो बैल्कनी में खुलती थी. तो हमें रात को ऐसा लगता था कि कोई जूते से चढ़ रहा है, मतलब सीढ़ियों से आवाज आती थी जूतों की कि ऊपर कोई चढ़ रहा है, पर हमेशा कोई नहीं होता था. और हमेशा रात को आवाज आती थी. कभी तो ढोलक की भी आवाज आती थी, पायल की आवाज आती थी छत से, बाहर शूज के उसकी आती थी आवाज, और एक कंटिन्यूसली होता था. तो मेरी दादी भी वहां पे मतलब रोज रात को हनुमान चालीसा पढ़ती थी और ये सब होता था. तो मेरे उस घर में जो लास्ट ईयर था, इट वाज लाइक कि 4 फैमिलीज रहती थी उस घर में. ठीक है. तो सबसे पहले नीचे एक अंकल रहते थे, अंकल आंटी, और उनका एक बेटा था. वो बेटा काफी बड़ा था, मतलब शादी के ऑलमोस्ट 27-28 का होगा. तो अंकल एक बार रोड पे जा रहे थे, सो उनको वहां पर अटैक आया, हार्ट अटैक आया, और वहीं उनकी डेथ हो गई. ठीक है. नीचे जो रहते थे अंकल, उनकी डेथ हो गई. फिर हमारे जो साइड में रहते थे उनमें जो पति पत्नी रहते थे, दे आर मे बी इन देयर 45 और 50। तो वहां पर भी जो थे अंकल थे, उनकी भी डेथ हो गई। ठीक है, तो 2 डेथ हो गई थी। और फिर मेरी दादी वहां रहती थी, मतलब मेरे ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स रहते थे, और फिर मेरी भी दादी की एकदम सडनली डेथ हो गई थी वहां पे। और ये जो सारी चीजें डेथ हुई थी ना, वो 1 साल के पीरियड के अंदर ही हुई थी। और मेरी दादी की डेथ से पहले मेरे डॉग की भी डेथ हुई थी। तो था क्या कि हमारा घर है ना, ऐसे रूम्स अंदर थे, और बीच में एक बड़ा सा जाल था ऊपर। तो मेरा जो कुत्ता था वो हमेशा ऊपर जाल के देखता रहता था, और वो जो अंदर वाला कमरा था ना, उससे जाने से बहुत ज्यादा डरता था। मतलब मैं अगर अपने डॉग को अंदर वाले कमरे में छोड़ के भी आ जाऊं ना, तो वो डर के भाग के वापस सबसे बाहर वाले रूम में आ जाता था। और होता भी था, जो हमारा सबसे अंदर वाला बेडरूम था, वहां पर अगर मैं भी सोता था तो नाइटमेट्स टाइप के आते थे। तो हम में से कोई भी वहां सोता ही नहीं था, हम सब बाहर वाले रूम में ही सोते थे। सो हुआ क्या था कि मेरे डॉग की डेथ हुई, मेरे पास काफी फिश थी, उन सब की डेथ हुई। नीचे अंकल की, साइड वाले अंकल की, फिर उनको कैंसर हो गया था। फिर जो जो उनकी वाइफ थी, उनको कैंसर हो गया, तो बाद में पता चला उनकी भी डेथ हो गई। और फिर जो मेरे दादाजी थे, वो भोपाल शिफ्ट हो गए थे। भोपाल में, फिर मैंने बताया था, भोपाल में विद इन 6 मंथ्स उनकी भी डेथ हो गई थी। तो उस घर में जो भी था ना, उन सबकी डेथ डेथ होती रही। फिर जो नीचे मैंने बताया था ना, बूढ़े अंकल आंटी थे, उनका बेटा था, उस बेटे ने शादी कर ली थी। ठीक है, तो उनका वो जब प्रेग्नेंट हुई उनकी वाइफ, तो उसका बच्चा भी उसके पेट में मर गया। तो सब एक टाइम आ गया था, वो 1 साल के अंदर वो सब लोगों ने वो घर वेकेंट कर दिया। और उस घर में फिर काफी टाइम तक, अभी भी हमने उस घर को लॉक कर रखा है, अभी भी उस घर में कोई रहता नहीं है। पर हाँ, उस घर में ऐसा कुछ होता था काफी टाइम तक। तो कुछ टाइम था जब मेरे दादी की डेथ हुई और मेरी बुआ की शादी होने वाली थी, तो इट्स ऑलमोस्ट 2 महीने थे। तो मेरी बुआ और मेरी दादी को पैरालिसिस अटैक हुआ था, तो वो 10 साल तक बेड पे थी। तो वो, और मैं कॉलेज चला गया था एंड ऑफ द ईयर इंजीनियरिंग के लिए। तो बाहर चला गया था सिटी से। तो मेरी बुआ बताती थी, जब वो रात को सो रही होती थी, तो अचानक उन्हें कोई एकदम आवाज आती थी हॉ करके। तो वो देखती थी कि दादी गिरने वाली है, या फिर मतलब कोई एक कोई एक सुपरनेचुरल पावर थी जो कि बचाती भी थी, प्रोटेक्ट भी करती थी। तो कई बार होता था, जैसे कोई गैस खुली छूट गई या कुछ हो गया, तो वो बुआ को जता देती थी समहाउ कि ऐसा कुछ हो रहा है घर में। तो मेरी बुआ वो कर लेती थी, मतलब अगर दादी को कुछ होने वाला है, तो बुआ को एकदम कोई आवाज आ जाती थी वहां से, या कुछ ऐसा हो जाता था, तो बुआ भाग के वहां दादी के पास जाती थी, और दादी को फिर बचा लेती थी। मतलब वो गिरने वाली होती थी या फिर कुछ हो रहा होता था, तो ऐसा था। तो ऐसा उस घर में बहुत सारा हुआ। फिर 1 साल के अंदर वहां पर लगभग 6 डेथ हो गई थी, 6-7 डेथ हुई थी। और फिर वो घर अब वेकेंट है पूरा।
Did you not try to find out, like, I mean, after, did you not try to do any kind of pujas to get that spirit out of the house?
नहीं, वो इतना ज्यादा वो नेगेटिव घर था, और इतना ज्यादा मतलब पेन उस घर से जुड़ा है। तो अब उस घर में हम वापस जाते ही नहीं है। वो दिल्ली में था, तो हम, अब मेरे से दिल्ली छूट ही गई, तो अब पेरेंट्स मेरे भोपाल ही रहते हैं, तो वो घर लॉक्ड ही है।
buy very the cheapest house or what? सारा घर तू खरीदता है, सब में कुछ ना कुछ है। तू क्या मतलब देखता है सबसे सस्ता घर कौन सा मिल रहा है, सोचेंगे नहीं क्यों सस्ता है, बट सबसे सस्ता वाला खरीद लेंगे।
नहीं नहीं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है। वो मेरे पैदा होने से पहले की बात,
कुछ तो करता है।
मेरे पैदा होने से पहले वो घर खरीदा था मेरे ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स ने। तो मैं पैदा हुआ नहीं था।
चीपेस्ट जो मिले वो खरीद लो, पीछे इसमें मौत हुई है कोई नहीं, अरे कोई खुद को जला लिया कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं, खरीद लेते हैं।
अरे ये चीजें हाइड कर देते हैं, वो बताते नहीं है फिर।
हाँ, वो भी है ना।
तो जो ब्रोकर्स वगैरह होते हैं ना, वो हमें बाद में पता चला था। पर हाँ, उस घर में मैंने भी बहुत बार वो कंटिन्यूसली आवाजें सुनी है, और उस घर की तो मैंने बाकी स्टोरीज भी बताई है। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, उस घर में डायनामिक्स ऐसा था कि मेरी दादी थी, जो कि पैरालिसिस उन्हें हुआ था, वो बेड पे ही रहती थी। मेरे दादाजी थे, जो ऑलमोस्ट इन लेट 80s में थे, बहुत बूढ़े थे, और मेरी बुआ रहती थी, और मेरा डॉग था उस घर में। और मैं बहुत छोटा हुआ करता था, मतलब 8-9 साल का। और मेरे पापा मम्मी क्या,
लेकिन ये पहले ही एक हॉरर सेटिंग लग रहा है मुझे, डोंट गेट ऑफेंडेड।
मेरा बचपन ऐसे ही बीता, ठीक है।
Yeah.
और
नहीं,
जो मेरे
श्रावणी is saying something, कुछ बोल रहे थे
ये थे,
श्रावणी? Yeah, Shravani, you were saying something. One thing I've learned about ghosts and pujas.
Yeah, so in Korkonda, because it's a very small village, we've had multiple instances of these kind of stories, and we never knew whether, because half of them make up stories just to get attention. So we didn't know which one was true and which one was not. And when we, I mean, not us, but when the panchayat, they used to perform these pujas and all, they used to do it by gathering grains like rice grains or dhanyalu antaru kada, wheat grain. So they used to bring that from each house, one handful of these grains, and do the puja. In the homam, they used to put all of these and do. So they clearly mentioned that if it's a ghost whose wishes are not fulfilled because before he or she died, and she was killed in a very evil manner, it will not, no puja will work on it, no matter how much you perform, unless you personally talk. I mean, those people who work with these ghost pujas and all, they personally talk to the ghost and get their wish fulfilled, they will not work.
सिर्फ एक ही पूजा है हमारे, इवन इन हिंदू रिलीजन देयर इज ओनली वन, ये that पूरा सत्यनारायण वाला, the full
हनुमान हनुमान जी का भी कहते हैं, so हनुमान जी,
वो
yeah.
मतलब ऐसा है टू फेंड ऑफ, बट अगर ऐसा खुद को खत्म करना है देन सिर्फ एक ही है.
That's what even I was asking yesterday. Maybe I'll talk that later because Rohit had something to share about the black magic. Rohit, please go ahead. Then I'll talk about it.
So like before just going to it, I just like to introduce to the Vedas and all what we have, so that you could get a clarity on what black magic is and all.
Sure. Yeah. Yeah, you've got a lot of people who are going to talk about it. Shambhav is going to talk about it. The Sai is going to talk about it. Please go.
So like there are 4 Vedas: Rig Veda, Samaveda, Yajurveda Veda, and Atharva Veda. So later these Vedas are again classified into 6 types to understand more Vedangas, like phonetics, rituals, grammar, etymology, and metrics. Later what happened is like while teaching in, or as like in the timeline while teaching, they have been further classified by the schools and the gurus into like various sutras.
Okay.
So like Kalpa Sutra, Griha Sutra, so like these are the sutras, like what they have classified and all. And out of which we are having 18 Puranas, and out of those like the important are Vishnu Purana, Vayu Purana, Matsya Purana, Brahma Purana, and Bhavishya Purana. So like, and each Purana holds a significance in everything. So like out of this entire thing, like while we are like in the history, while I was going through some part of the history and all, so like one thing related to our inscriptions and the civilization is like one mysterious civilization is like Indus civilization. So like because of in the inscriptions of the Indus civilization, like maybe Indus or Harappan seals are the magical inscriptions. Like we are unable to decode what they actually tell to us, what they are actually. Still, no one can determine actual language regarding like these seals. So like so I was like so then like I was going through the Vedic. So I was going through the Vedic literature. So in this like see there are Samhitas, Brahmanas, and like Upanishads, Aryankas, and all, and the Sutra literature. So like Samhitas will text like teach about the 4 Vedas generally.
Okay.
And like the Brahmanas, like the Brahmanas, like in those like nothing much description was given regarding it in the book, but in the resources where I found it. And next Upanishads and Aryankas and Sutra literature and all. So like out of these in the 4 Vedas, the interesting Veda, like the interesting thing is like the Yajurveda.
Yajur and Atharva Veda?
Yeah, Atharva Veda also. So like in the Yajurveda Veda, like they'll deal about the sacrificial prayers.
Oh.
And in the other, and in this Yajurveda Veda, there are 2: white Yajurveda Veda and the black Yajurveda Veda.
Vamanacharya and I guess there are two things.
Yeah. So White Yajurveda means only hymns were there, like only the mantras and all. And coming to the Black Yajurveda, like in addition to the hymns, they'll be given comment like what does it actually mean. And coming to the Atharva Veda, there are 75 hymns, like exclusive 75 hymns in the Atharva Veda, which deals particularly related to demons and spirits.
Okay.
Yes.
So like like going further, so like actually there is no like such thing called a black magic. First, to clearly identify, there is no such thing called black magic. Like see, like what we say is శక్తి అంటారు, ఏదైనా ఒక శక్తి, the energy.
Power.
So energy is the form, like what we are having. Every person has that same energy. Like the how we use it differentiates us.
Okay.
Have you heard about
Positive, negative.
Yeah, manifestation?
Yes.
Yeah.
So manifestation, like I'll give you an example. So like there is a place like where see, if you want to like make the tree fell or make it dead, you don't need to like just go to and take a seesaw, like takes a hacksaw, cut it. Like this, like if you like scream to it like bad words and all, like
Yeah.
calling it out and like rotate, like after a week it used to get like dead, it is dead, that's it. Even
Yeah.
there is like a manifestation, like there are therapies on it, but they are not scientifically proved, but there are therapies going on, like in the cancer treatment, guiding imaginary therapy and all.
Okay. Yeah.
సో లైక్ దెర్ ఈస్ వన్ థింగ్, లైక్ మన ఆలోచన అనేది ఒక శక్తి, దాన్ని తగిన మంత్రంతో ప్రేరేపించి ఒక యంత్రంతో మనం దాన్ని కంట్రోల్ కేంద్రీకరిస్తే దాన్ని తంత్ర అంటారు.
What he said is really nice, but I can't unfortunately translate it into English too. Can you repeat it? I'll try it out, Rohit.
సో మన ఆలోచన అనేది ఒక శక్తి.
Okay. Our thought process is a power. Okay. Next.
దాన్ని తగిన మంత్రంతో ప్రేరేపించి
Okay.
ఒక యంత్రంతో కేంద్రీకరిస్తే దాన్ని ఆ తంత్రంతో మనం సిద్ధిని పొందుతాం.
Making it strong through a mantra and
translating this, bro.
Yeah.
Learning black magic is easy than translating this to English.
Yeah, exactly. So it's no. What I'm saying is, see, your thoughts are really powerful, and if you bring your thought, if you use mantra along in your thought with the help of an yantra, that is what is called tantra. Shit, I guess that's what.
No, yantra is basically it's kind of a device.
Device, yeah.
To be very simply said, that for example, we all put Sri Chakra in front of our house for positive vibes. That's a yantra. So something like that which goes to negative energy is also called as yantra. Like voodoo.
voodoo. Yeah.
Said in our Hindu like history, there were two sects basically, tantra and mantra. Whatever we pray and do with God and pray and all do puja, everything of God are mantra based. Everything. And tantra is the opposite of it. It's based on more on shakti, shakti and its all knowledges, and you can say the dark practices of Hinduism are in tantra.
No, that's what he was saying. That's what Rohit was saying. It's nothing called evil there.
Yantras are both sides. Like there are that yantras and these yantras. We have this Vastu yantra, Lakshmi yantra. Then there is a ये क्या बोलते हैं हनुमान जी का भी कुछ ये यंत्र है, पंचमुखी हनुमान जी का यंत्र. There are many, बहुत सारे यंत्र हैं.
So this is where I guess I can.
Maybe in this when it comes to black magic, kala jadoo, वो यंत्र क्या होता है कि maybe a toy kind of a thing.
Basically, yantra is something where you can concentrate. Generally, specific shape depend करता है. it should be of a specific shape and with a specific material. Even देखो लक्ष्मी यंत्र and all जो बनाते हैं हम लोग, we have a specific either copper or gold or something. and जब हम लोगों का जब actually जब कुछ construction होता है ना, तो हम लोग पहले कुछ 5 स्टोन्स डालते हैं उसके अंदर, एंड देन एक 3 छोटे छोटे गोल्ड के
Copper.
उसके अंदर यंत्र डालते हैं, कॉपर या कॉपर सॉरी कॉपर के डालते हैं। गोल्ड वाले भी किसी चीज में यूज होते हैं ब्रो, आई डोंट एग्जैक्टली रिमेंबर किसमें, बट देयर आर गोल्ड आल्सो, छोटे छोटे पीसेस ट्रायंगुलेट,
I guess Panchloha है वो.
or something, I don't exactly know, but है, because I saw my mom doing this for कैसे कोई कंस्ट्रक्शन हो रहा था उसके लिए हम लोग का
I
ग्राउंड
guess
जब होता है तब।
वो Panchloha होगा. Like it's a combination of 5 lohas.
हाँ, तो पंच धातु वो अलग है और वो
हाँ.
5 वो अलग है, वास्तु यंत्र 5 अलग होता है। 5 ट्रायंगल से वास्तु यंत्र बनाते हैं, फिर 5 वो तो पंच धातु तो अलग अलग हो जाता है, 5 डिफरेंट मेटेरियल्स, एंड देन पंच वो भी होता है, मोती मूंगा वो सब मिला के भी 5।
Panchratna.
Five metals.
या 5 metals and all, 5 gemstones.
Yeah.
So let me on this one. So earlier, right, you were saying there is no specific thing to get rid of evil in Hindu mythology. That's what I was asking yesterday. See, in Christianity or whatever the movies whichever was, they talk about exorcism where they come and the Latin जो भी prayers आके, dude, Shamba, what are you doing, dude, with that light in the
It
Vegas?
looks horror already. Scary.
Yeah. Oh. So
I'll be back.
yeah. So
Nothing light चली गई थी. That's why I burned the candle. What do you think? I'm doing the tantras.
kind of it does. It did look like that. तो मैं क्या बोल रहा था? So like in Christianity, you've got exorcism where you've got a set of spells where you have to recite where it could get rid of the evil or get rid of the ghost which is inside the house or which is inside the person. But as far as my understanding goes, we don't have any such kind of thing in Hindu mythology or in our culture. As even Dick, you were saying we don't have any such thing, right? We don't have anything called exorcism. We do
No.
have pujas though.
I guess we do have like they put some kind of star.
You heard about?
Or else
Yeah.
Chandramukhi movie, if you have seen, they would perform some puja at the end.
And actually in scriptures also I believe there is one in Vishnu इसमें है, like
Vishnu
Garuda Puran.
scriptures में वो you know that Satyanarayan puja in north it's done very commonly, अब उधर क्या बोलते हैं मुझे पता नहीं, but in that scripture is exactly that, if you can, but it's very hard to finish actually. ऐसा कहा जाता है if something dark happens or very dark energy is there, you will not be able to start and finish it. अगर तुमने वो finish कर दिया by start and finish, then it will be. ये actually I have heard about this more than once. But
I
it's
have
generally
never-
You
not
heard about
practiced.
Balaji Temple, Hanuman Temple, Balaji.
वो सब अलग है, मैं
तो
बोल रहा हूँ
उसमें
specific
उसमें
cases का।
हम्म
But
उसमें
I
वही
never
होता है जैसे
heard-
जिन yes.
Yeah,
Sorry.
generally like कुछ नया house warming हो ऐसा हो तो like the people will perform this Satyanarayan Katha, but I never heard like this had this kind of version.
It is that's why not heard, because ये बहुत कम करते हैं और ये बहुत ही वो हो गया कि like it's very scary, क्योंकि इसमें बहुत उग्र हो जाता है the host and all. It's the last resort kind of thing. उससे easy है कि हनुमान जी का पूजा करो and all, शिव जी का कुछ पाठ बैठो, वो easy है, but this is
The Satyanarayana temple is near to our hometown. The place name is called Arnavaram.
I've heard like इसका बहुत हो रहा है, like if you in Britain ऐसा ये है, और भगवत पुराण में एक और आता है that I don't know. भगवत पुराण कोई पढ़ने नहीं है आजकल, तो ज़्यादा
I mean, at least in the movie culture, at least they've never showed anything like जो भी दिखा रहे थे.
movie में था, I don't know which 1920 or Haunted or something
हाँ,
में है।
हनुमान चालीसा.
नहीं अच्छा तो 1920 में है, ये वाला भी है कहीं पे।
No, that's what right. In most of these movies they suggest a puja kind of thing. A yajna करके बोलते हैं. They'll ask you to do a yajna or a puja, but they don't actually go and do something to the person who's being infested or who's being possessed by the devil or the ghost. like the way it is shown in a English movie or in a Christianity movie. We don't really deal with that person, but rather we do some kind of puja, and we kind of expect that puja to affect that person. I don't know if that's called exorcism.
Kind of different, I would say.
Sham, you are saying something, Sam?
वहाँ yes yes मैं वो बालाजी I was telling about the Balaji temple. So over there it is said that who have like a ghost in him or her, so they go over there, and then Balaji, Lord Balaji, Hanuman ji remove that pret or bhoot from that body. तो वहां अगर देखोगे भी, हाँ राजस्थान में, तो वहां देखोगे भी तो वहां पे औरतें जिनके अंदर भूत होता है, so they are carrying like very heavy stones and weights on their heads, which is not impossible by normal human being. तो वहां पर कहते हैं कि जिसके अंदर भी भूत वगैरह होता है वो एंटर करते ही वहां पर पगला सा जाता है, एंड उन्हें फिर चेन करके वहां बांधा जाता है टिल उनके ऊपर से भूत ना निकल जाए. एंड अबाउट
हाय कोई चलते रहते हैं. मेरे डैड गए थे बोले. बहुत
And there is
हाँ
one more temple in like south side as well, like Dattatreya Swami temple. It's like
Yeah, it's
Gangapur.
quite near to Hyderabad. Quite near to Hyderabad, the Dattatreya temple. It's also known for the same thing.
मुझे श्याम भगवान है ना, आई नो दैट टेम्पल. लाइक मेरे डैड गए थे, and वहां से ना मीठे का
इट्स रियली फेमस.
लड्डू भी नहीं लाना चाहिए, एकदम नहीं लाना चाहिए. कोई
हाँ.
मीठा कुछ भी ले आए वापस आ जाता है. मेरे डैड और आ रहे थे, पैकेट में एक मीठा था दे. वो होता है ना कि गांव का आउटसाइड बाउंड्री से पहले वो लोग फेंक के आए हैं. You should not bring even one small sweet from there.
Yeah, prasad देते हैं. You should complete the prasad then and there
आओ
itself.
देखो जो करो, वहां से लाना कुछ नहीं होता है.
हाँ.
मेरे डैड और गए हुए हैं वहां पे. फेमस है, मतलब हम लोग के उधर से बहुत लोग वहीं जाते हैं जब कुछ ऐसा होता है. तो वहां पे
I
मेला
don't
लगता है
know,
साल
but
में एक बार अबाउट दिस.
कोई तो like stories share करा था. It's like in this only like they were bringing prasad and car में accident हुआ था कुछ बोल के from someone shared this story over here itself, but long ago.
Long, maybe in the starting days, I guess.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't remember the vaguely remember.
He also
एक
seen the
और
ghost in the car.
क्या?
okay. Actually, I told one car ghost story initially. तो मैंने एक स्टोरी सुनी थी. वो था कि एक कुछ दोस्त है ना, उसमें जा रहे होते हैं, एक ट्रिप पे जा रहे होते हैं 5-6 दोस्त कार में, और फिर उनकी अचानक कार एक जंगल के बीचों बीच रुक जाती है. ओके, एंड दे आर ऑलमोस्ट लाइक 50 किलोमीटर फ्रॉम देयर लाइक होम टाउन. तो वहां पर वो रुक जाती है. फिर वहां से दो लड़के उतरते हैं और वो कहते हैं कि हम देख के आते हैं आसपास कुछ है या नहीं.
आवाज कहाँ से आया? It sounded like someone called someone, right? Is it?
No, there is no one.
I too heard.
You too heard it, right?
Yes, yeah.
I also heard something, not a sound में समझ नहीं आया, but कुछ तो सुना था. Other than श्याम.
I've heard, like it sounded someone was calling someone, like it
Yeah,
sounded like a
exactly.
voice. It sounded like a Tarun.
It sounded
I live alone
alone.
only.
Why did you turn that side then? If you heard it,
See, Reet also heard it.
Ritu also heard it. You've turned to that side, dude. When you were actually telling that you turned to the other side. Exactly.
Because
Now at
Yeah,
this
I
house also
heard-
he's gonna experience ghost.
actually I heard something, but there is no one, so doesn't matter.
If it heard it did sound like someone called out. I mean, it sounded like a woman, to be more
I didn't
precise.
exactly hear it, but I heard something. So I'm like, क्या हुआ extra? Then श्याम box.
There is no one here. I will show you. There is no one here.
Either
There is
it was-
ये ना श्याम बाबू, बहुत गलत हो जाएगा.
there is no one here. I show you my room. There is no one here.
नहीं, मत दिखाना.
Okay.
पर ऐसे ही डर गया मैं तो एक बार का. खुद के.
The room
Not
is
sitting
only
on a
for-
wooden chair, is it?
No. Officer.
It's either it could be a chair being pulled, or it sounded like someone called, some voice.
I don't know. So I will complete my story. तो उसमें क्या होता है, तो फिर वो दोनों ये हॉरर है, फनी हो रहा है पता नहीं, बस ठीक है। तो उसमें से फिर दो लड़के उतरते हैं और फिर वो चेक करते हैं कि कोई मैकेनिक वगैरह आसपास या कुछ हेल्प मिल जाए, ठीक है। तो फिर वो काफी देर तक वो दोनों लड़के वापस लौटते नहीं। अंदर दो लड़कियां बैठी होती हैं और एक और उनका एक दोस्त होता है, एक और लड़का बैठा होता है। तो वो कॉल भी कर चुके होते हैं कि उनके होम टाउन से कोई हेल्प आ जाए। तो इतने में उनमें से जो एक लड़की होती है उसका भाई आ जाता है कार लेके, और फिर वो कार उस कार की जो पहले वाली कार थी उसके इतना सामने रोक देता है थोड़ी दूर पे। तो उनको उसकी हेडलाइट दिख रही होती है कार की। तो
भाई
अचानक वो जो
सॉरी
उसका
सॉरी टू इंटरप्ट। भाई तूने कुछ डोर क्लोज किया था क्या? ठीक, हाँ ठीक है, ठीक है। Just
अभी
to
हर चीज
confirm.
में सस्पिशियस हो रहा है।
No,
तो
even Ritu is saying, see, even she heard it as a woman sound, woman's calling her. Lady का
Yes, I
voice
too
था।
heard a woman's sound.
मैंने गेट क्लोज किया था इतना मुझे
नहीं नहीं,
पता है,
इससे
उसके अलावा
पहले, इससे
मुझे कुछ
पहले।
नहीं पता।
No, it was
आई
from
होप
Sambhav's house. The before.
Yeah, before it was clearly from Shamba. I mean, Tarun was also not on mute. That's the reason I was asking Tarun if someone called Tarun.
Like it's not clear if she's calling or something, but like a lady's voice.
Ladies, what?
देयर
It.
इज नो लेडी, देयर इज माय मेन गेट, देयर इज नो लेडी ओवर हियर।
बेचारा सिंगल बंदा। अरे कल वाला फिर कॉल क्या मैसेज क्या हुआ? पहले स्टोरी से पहले वो बता, दैट वाज इंटरेस्टिंग।
अरे हाँ,
कल 1:30 बजे।
Privately लेते हैं। No, let's stay. Let's
वो
go.
अलग है, वो बहुत
वो
अलग।
अलग है।
सो मैं कहा था, ठीक है। तो उसका भाई उसके सामने कार में रुकता है और फिर उसे अपनी बहन को कॉल करता है और कहता है जो भी हो तुम सीट से मत उतरना, ठीक है, यहाँ से उतरना मत। और फिर वो कहती है पर क्यों? फिर उसे है ना अपने कार के ऊपर बहुत ठक ठक की आवाज आ रही होती है, ऐसे ढक 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 ढक, ठीक है। तो वो कहती है कि मुझे आवाज आ रही है, मैं क्या करूं? तो उसका भाई कहता है कि तुम है ना जितनी स्पीड से हो सके गेट खोलो और भाग के मेरी कार में आ जाओ, पर कुछ भी हो पीछे मुड़ के मत देखना। वो कहती है ऐसा क्या हुआ बताओ तो सही। वो कहती है कुछ भी हो पीछे मुड़ के मत देखना, जितनी हो सके स्पीड से दरवाजा खोल के मेरी कार की तरफ आ जाओ। फिर वो ही करती है, वो गेट खोलती है और सब उसकी कार में भाग के जाते हैं और वहां पर बैठ जाते हैं। फिर वो जब दोबारा देखते हैं अपनी कार की तरफ तो देखते हैं जो दो लड़के बाहर गए थे ना शुरू में, वो उस गेट के ऊपर है और ऊपर कोई एक आदमखोर टाइप का कोई बैठा हुआ है और उनकी वो बॉडी काट काट के ऊपर खा रहा है। ही इज ईटिंग दैम। हाँ
There
ये
are.
कोई स्टोरी है, देयर इज अ
This
काइंड
is
ऑफ
a.
स्टोरी। हाँ
This is a big urban legend that is there, and cannibal people they talk about like the same version cannibals के साथ है. It's with wife and husband. The same version with this ghost.
अर्बन लेजेंड।
Urban legend.
Wrong turn.
I don't know how. Not wrong
अर्बन
turn. Not wrong.
लेजेंड एक ऐसा नहीं, एक तो दिल्ली में ही हुआ था दैट ये कैनिबलिज्म के रिगार्डिंग, और वो तो न्यूज में भी आया था। तो निठारी कांड कहते हैं उसे, यू कैन सर्च अबाउट दैट आल्सो। तो एक डॉक्टर था, सरदार डॉक्टर था और उसका एक कंपाउंडर था। तो उसके पास जो भी औरत जाती थी ना तो वो उसको मार देता था, उसकी बॉडी के कुछ कुछ पीस खाता था और फिर उसे दफना देता था। और वो बच्चों के साथ भी करता था, बच्चों को काटता था, खा जाता था और अपने बैकयार्ड में दफना देता था। तो फिर आसपास के बहुत सारे लोगों को लगा कि बहुत लोग लापता हो रहे हैं, गुम हो रहे हैं, ठीक है। और फिर उन्होंने मतलब कनेक्ट किया कि इस डॉक्टर के पेशेंट्स ही हैं सब। तो फिर पुलिस ने वहां छापा मारा था और उसके बैकयार्ड से बहुत सारे मतलब लगभग हंड्रेड्स ऑफ वो निकले थे, स्कल और बोन्स और ये सब निकले थे। तो उसका जो कंपाउंडर था वो उन लोगों को काटता था और जो डॉक्टर था वो उनको ग्रिल करता था, पूरा पकाता था और फिर उसको खाता था। और ये तो रियल है, मतलब ये मेरे बचपन की स्टोरी है। इसके बाद मुझे याद है मैं 9th क्लास में था शायद, तो मैं एक कोचिंग के लिए गया था, मतलब एक ट्यूशन के लिए। तो वो भी एक सरदार अंकल थे, तो उनके घर बहुत अंदर की तरफ था। तो मैंने उनकी ट्यूशन छोड़ दी थी डर के मारे इस वजह से, तो मुझे वही याद आता था हमेशा।
This kind of
पर हाँ इट इज रियली स्कैरी।
something relatable dude. Today morning I've gone to get some Deek, sorry, I don't think you eat meat, so मैं गया था वो मछली लेके आने के लिए। So when I see मछली जब चाहते हैं, so we see the entire process, like they cut the entire they peel off the skin, they cut it and they remove intestines. And I was just thinking, what if the same thing happened to us? Like roles reverse kar do.
Symmetry.
Roles reverse kar do. Like if we are the size of these animals and the animals are at our size, just imagine we being our guts being removed, we being cut into.
Exactly the movie Pet Symmetry.
Oh, is it so?
Yes, exactly. वहाँ पे animals humans को ऐसे ही खाते हैं. Pet Symmetry बोल के है.
The show
एक्चुअली वो
depends on-
एनिमल्स नहीं होते, दे आर ह्यूमंस ओनली विद मास्क ऑफ एनिमल्स.
Okay, maybe वो मुझे नहीं पता, but like it seems animals जैसा.
एंड इट स्टोरी इज डिफरेंट. पेट सिमेट्री में क्या होता है, जो जानवर मर जाते हैं ना, जो उन्हें दफना के आते हैं सिमेट्री में, तो वो वापस जिंदा होके आ जाते हैं.
I think you're talking about
Like I have seen कि humans को ऐसे ही काटते हैं. इतना मैंने देखा था. I didn't watch
that-
the whole movie. It was gruesome.
wrong turn होगा जो बोल रहा तो wrong turn होगा.
हाँ, रॉन्ग टर्न है, रॉन्ग टर्न है वो.
Wrong turn.
कैनिबलिज्म.
Cannibalism.
और इसमें वो भी मैं भी सोच रहा था इस बारे में, जैसे मुर्गों या फिर मुर्गियों को कैद करके नहीं रखते और फिर काटते हैं और वो सब. चलो वो बदला छोड़ो, अगर इंसान ही ऐसा करने लगे, मतलब ह्यूमंस को केज में कैद कर रहे हैं ऐसे, और फिर मार्केट में ह्यूमन फ्लैश ऐसे ही बिक रहा है, एंड वो उनको निकाल के फिर काट के बेच रहे हैं, लाइक क्रिमिनल्स के साथ ऐसा कर रहे हैं और समथिंग लाइक दिस. और कैनिबलिज्म तो होता ही है. मतलब अगर मैंने ये पढ़ा भी था, जो डार्क वेब होता है वहां पर लोग पोस्ट डालते हैं, और ये मैंने एक न्यूज भी पढ़ी थी, वहां लोग पोस्ट डालते हैं कि मुझे खाना है. और ऐसे ही एक न्यूज आई थी कि एक बंदे ने डाला पोस्ट कि मुझे खाना है किसी को, ठीक है, तो मेरे घर आ जाओ. तो एक बंदे का आ भी गया कि ठीक है मुझे खा लो, ठीक है, तो वो उसके घर गया. और शायद इसमें एक मूवी भी बनी है या कुछ बना है, इस न्यूज पे ये रियल इंसिडेंट है. तो उसके घर गया बंदा, फिर उन दोनों ने साथ में बैठ के अल्कोहल वगैरह पी, शराब वगैरह पी. फिर जो जिसने खाना था, म्यूजिक वगैरह सुना, सब कुछ बात की. फिर जिस बंदे को खाना था उसने इंजेक्शन दिया, नम किया, और फिर उसको काट काट के खाया.
हाँ, न्यूज़ आया था.
हाँ,
रील्स पे.
लाइफ में नहीं जाना है. बहुत डार्क चीजें हैं डार्क वेब की सुनी थी.
बताओ.
एंड
we feel-
कैनिबलिज्म
we
इज
feel-
रियल.
No.
यार
Please go ahead.
यार this foreign में जो, if you heard about the story of Mr. Beast, not Mr. Beast, it's Mr. Meat. पहले he had a meat shop, then that didn't work, so his wife and his children were like,
Yes, I
went
heard
away.
about it. Yes.
And then he used to, and one day he just encountered with a man, a vegetarian man, and then he thought of cutting him and selling. And his customers, who all remaining customers used to come, they tasted that first time the human meat, and they liked it so much that the demand raised. He started earning a lot. He every day used to go, at night he used to go kill a vegetarian man, and next day he used to sell that to non-vegetarian people. And इसके ऊपर तो एक गेम भी बना था.
That's what even I just got the game.
वो होमलेस लोगों को काट के फिर खिलाते थे. एंड पीपल लव ह्यूमन मीट्स. एक्चुअली पीपल लव ह्यूमन मीट्स, और उनका बहुत ज्यादा बिजनेस चल गया था.
Human meat tastes more better than any other meat.
Have you ever tasted?
No, actually it is said. I heard.
Please disclaimer डाल दो. This is a podcast. Disclaimer that everybody thinks.
नहीं, वैसे ये है, मतलब ब्लैक मार्केट में बिकता है, ह्यूमन फ्लैश बिकता है, एंड इट्स नॉर्मल, और उसको पूरा डेलिकेसी के साथ खाया जाता है. व्हाई नॉट? अगर लोग एनिमल्स को खा सकते हैं, सो व्हाई नॉट दे कैन कंज्यूम ह्यूमंस.
But think of the irony,
Exactly.
dude. Think of the irony. जब तक हम evils के evil overs and devil के बात करते थे, we did not really have that kind of, we did not feel bad or did not feel anything. But when it came into humans being evil, we couldn't take it.
Yeah, we can't handle humans. We can handle ghosts.
Exactly. We could handle listening to ghost stories. We could handle listening to black magic and everything. But the moment we started talking about humans being evil, we couldn't just handle it because we
Yeah.
couldn't take it.
Humans
Exactly.
like too dangerous.
But for me, it was like, I feel sorrow when animals are cut down and given, but whenever I hear like, some people are started to some people consume humans too, that's called cannibalism, then I will like, that's okay.
Have you
I literally
watched that?
didn't, I was sorrow. Like, kato inko.
Story, bro. Don't.
There should be some regulation like this. Only non-vegetarians should be like this, not vegetarians. But
So
yeah, that's a different thing.
जब भी ना, even when I'm going on road trips, right, I'm more scared of people than seeing a ghost.
Ghost. Yeah, true.
Yes.
Yes, even me.
Yeah.
And there was one experience like this is just our people. There have been like I have been coming late night twice. I have seen many people are fighting. Like there was this guy met with an accident at that night. Though like a guy like just
What are
give
you
him
looking
a
at, Sambhav?
Nothing. What?
Ritu's
I
are here, so Ritu is leaving. Bye, Ritu. I hope you'll join the next week's session too.
Bye, Ritu.
Bye bye,
Bye, bye,
soon.
bye.
Bye, bye.
Bye. Good night.
Good night. 12 बज गए थे, एक एक करके जाना.
संभाल के जाना.
संभाल.
Okay.
अब मे भी थोड़ा कंफर्ट.
किसी ने वो मूवी देखी है, सोसाइटी ऑफ स्नो.
क्या सोसाइटी ऑफ?
So it's Snow, Society of Snow. So it is also based on a real incident. हुआ क्या था कि I guess 1800s और मे बी अभी like जब प्लेन स्टार्ट ही हुए थे, सो लाइक 19 समथिंग में, तो एक प्लेन क्रैश हुआ था और वहां के जो पैसेंजर्स थे वो एक माउंटेन टाइप में फंस गए थे, स्नोई माउंटेन में. ठीक है, तो वो वहां पर काफी लोग मर गए थे वहां पे, और वहां पे कोई रेडियो सिग्नल नहीं था, कुछ नहीं था, तो वहां पे लोग बचाने नहीं आ पा रहे थे. तो उन्होंने क्या किया, उनके पास खाना खत्म हो गया था, तो दे आर स्टार्ट ईटिंग फेलो पैसेंजर्स जो मर गए थे.
Yes, I've heard of
और
it.
यस यस एंड उसके बाद मतलब बहुत 3 महीनों तक रहे थे, और वो फिर अपने फेलो पैसेंजर्स को ही खा रहे थे. मतलब उनका कोई दोस्त भी मर जाता था तो वो कह के जाता था कि तुम मेरी बॉडी को इस्तेमाल कर सकते हो, तो फिर वो अपने दोस्त को खाते थे. तो ऐसे करके वो 3 महीने तक उन्होंने अपने दोस्तों को और फेलो पैसेंजर्स को खा के बिताया,
There are
और फिर
many,
कुछ लोग उसमें से सर्वाइव किए.
there
क्या?
are many such instances, no? There are many such stories. There is one more.
बट देयर इज अ वे टू लुक ऑन इट कि
Yeah,
जैसे इस पे एक सोचने वाली बात है कि अगर हमारे पास खाना खत्म हो जाए, ठीक है, और हमें सर्वाइवल पे आ जाए चीज, तो हम भी कैनिबलिज्म स्टार्ट कर देंगे.
yes, exactly.
एंड देन इट डजंट मैटर कि हम अपने रिलेटिव्स को खा रहे हैं, अपने दोस्तों को खा रहे हैं. इट ऑल अबाउट सर्वाइवल.
कहावत है, मतलब एक वो है बिलीव बात कर रहे थे ना अबाउट लाइक लास्ट चरण ऑफ कलयुग इन हिंदू स्क्रिप्चर्स. इट इज सेड कि लास्ट चरण में देयर विल बी अ रेन ऑफ फायर, probably acid rain, where all vegetation
acid
will
rain.
end, and the only survival way is to eat non-veggies, like slowly animals, and then to proceed to human cannibalism.
तो उसमें ये भी है, वो अपने दोस्तों को, मतलब किसी स्ट्रेंजर को खा रहे हो तो बात अलग है, बट किसी अपने दोस्त को खा रहे हो जिसे तुम जानते हो, सो इट्स कंप्लीटली डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ फीलिंग.
Actually, have
Imagine
you
Dick eating
watched
Suresh
the
right now. Yeah.
platform? Platform.
Yeah.
To non-vegetarians, imagine this like eating a unknown chicken and a chicken जो तुमने पाला हो.
कुछ फर्क नहीं, चिकन का कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता भाई, खा लेते हैं हम. Sorry, Arun is saying something. Arun, finally you're talking.
Actually, do you guys watch the film called Platform? It's in Netflix.
Yes. बहुत, it's a wonderful film यार, बहुत सही film.
Yes, yeah.
Very nice.
Actually, there will be one scene. Actually, the hero has some like credit problem. He owes money to someone. He want to like give the money back. So there will be experiment kind of thing going on. So he'll just go and join, but he didn't know what is gonna happen. Actually, a platform like there will be like lot of floors, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, the experiment is what is like it will have around 80 90 floors, that whole building. Okay, like when every time, like the food from the first floor comes till the end. Okay.
Yeah.
But the experiment is like people should eat what they want. If they eat what they want, na, the people who living in the last floor will get food. That's the experiment, but
Hmm.
nobody will do that. Then they
Follows
will
that.
also shift the rooms. Like they will shift the room to first floor to last floor, and it's a kind of like survival thriller film. It's actually good film.
Trailer. I haven't seen the film. I've seen
It,
the
they get
trailer.
promoted. They get promoted each time. Some people
Yes,
tries
yes,
to,
yeah.
yeah, some people
I
plans to
mean,
go down.
So
these are
they're, yeah,
psychotic movies.
so they're like portraying our society. So rich people get the first like
Yes, yes,
सबसे
yes.
पहला वो हिस्सा लेते हैं all the resources of earth, and then जो गरीब होते हैं उनके पास कुछ नहीं बचता है. So this few only ना, जो अफ्रीका में लोग हैं, जो गरीब लोग हैं, उनको खाने को कुछ नहीं मिलता है. जो अमीर लोग हैं वो सबसे प्रीमियम चीज खाते हैं. और फिर बहुत पागलपंती भी है. मतलब जो अमीर होते हैं वो कुछ भी खाने लगते हैं. मतलब अगर देखा जाए, जैसे कॉफी की बात करें, सो द मोस्ट एक्सपेंसिव कॉफी इज कॉफी लुवाक. So it's made from a cat potty,
Yeah,
a
cat poop.
kind of
Cat poop, yeah.
cat poop. And the most expensive food is that fish eggs, caviar, caviar. That's
Yeah,
fish
caviar.
eggs. So if you see ना लग्जरी वाले चीज सारी चीजें होती है वो डिस्गस्टिंग होने लगती हैं. और हमें पता नहीं अभी तो ये अभी तो हमें पता नहीं क्या क्या खाते होंगे. मे बी डेलिकेसी होती होगी, ह्यूमन मीट और बेबी मीट और समथिंग लाइक दिस. हु
Sid,
नोज कि रिच लोग क्या
Reference
करते
थोड़ा
हैं.
ज्यादा नहीं जा रहा है आज.
नहीं नहीं छोड़
Actually,
छोड़.
have you guys watched the film Amai? It's an Assamese movie. It's also based on kind of like eating the human flesh. Yeah. Amai, AAMAI. I don't know how to
यस यस
spell.
यस यस, हाँ. जैसा
Bengali
एसएमएस
movie it
मूवी,
is.
और उसमें
Yes, yeah.
बॉयफ्रेंड अपनी गर्लफ्रेंड को अपने आप को काट के खिलाता है.
Yeah.
No,
He
she's a
he
married
wants to
woman.
impress her girlfriend, so he will
हाँ
cut a piece from his like thigh and he cooks something and he'll give to his
हाँ, वो
girlfriend.
अपना छोटा छोटा पीस काटता है अपने लेग से, अपने हाथ से, फिर उसको कुक करता है और फिर वो अपनी लवर को खिलाता है पका के. एंड उसकी
Actually,
लवर
the
को भी इस
movie is
चीज का
like,
बाद में, हाँ या
yeah, you were telling something. Yeah.
तो उसके लवर को भी बाद में, उस लेडी को भी बाद में पता चल जाता है कि वो अपना ह्यूमन मीट खिला रहा है. तो वो भी मना नहीं करती, उसको भी लत लग जाती है. तो वो उसको बाद में कहती है कि किसी का खून करो, मर्डर समवन, और फिर उसका मीट बना के खिलाओ, क्योंकि उसको उस चीज की वो लग जाती है, लत लग जाती है.
Is it
Actually, the
RJV's
hero
movie?
will do some like a kind of PhD in like food and culture thing, and he every weekend he used to go and like hunt meat, and he and his friends will eat. One day, like what happens is his friend is a vegetarian. He want to try non-vegetarian, and he tried, and he will get like some stomach ache or something. So he will just the hero will just go and like find some doctor like nearby, and the doctor is the heroine, and they will just like talk, and they will just hang out, and he used to say to her like, have you tried this meat, that meat? But the thing is, like in her life, that heroine's life, she hadn't had that original like fresh meat. She only used to eat that frozen food, something like that. So he tells her like, I'll cook you this thing, and they will hang out every weekend. Like whenever they meet, he used to cook her good food, like good meat, and she will get impressed by him. And one day what he will do, he wants to impress her, so he will like cut a piece from his thigh and cook a food out of it and give it to her. After
What's the name of
tasting,
the movie?
Amai,
एमी, yeah,
A
What
a good film.
AWM?
I
WAMAI.
Okay, MEI. WMEI.
Yes.
I guess it means मैं, me,
I
my.
don't I don't find that I see WMIS Amis. I find I'm Amis.
हाँ, it is Amis. It is Amis.
Amis. Let me
2019
And
film, I think.
एंड आई फील ना हर चीज की एक वर्जिनिटी होती है। जैसे मैं दोनों रहा हुआ हूँ, सो इट फील्स लाइक कि जब तक तुम नॉनवेज नहीं खा रहे, अगर कोई वेजिटेरियन है, जब तक वो नॉनवेज नहीं खा रहा तो जब तक उसके लिए ठीक होता है, बट एक बार उसने नॉनवेज टेस्ट कर लिया ना तो उसको वो हिचक खत्म हो जाती है उसके अंदर से। ऐसे ही हर चीज के लिए होता है। पहले वो तुम्हें चीज टैबू लगती है, सेक्स में भी यही होता है, जब तुम्हें वो पहले टैबू लगता है फिर तुम करते हो तो इट्स गेटिंग नॉर्मल, फिर तुम्हें कुछ नहीं लगता। तो हर चीज में ही होता है, खाने में भी अगर तुम वेज, तो ऐसे ह्यूमन उसमें भी है, अगर तुम एक बार खा लो फिर तुम्हें वो गिल्ट खत्म हो जाएगी, मतलब वो खत्म हो जाएगा तुम्हारे अंदर से कि ये सही है गलत है।
Yeah. Let's stick to ghosts. Black men. Those are far better.
उधर से आवाजें आना चलेगा।
जो भी एंटिटी तेरे को बुला रही है उससे हाय बोल दो, बता रहा हूँ।
Actually, you guys don't believe, like, I just watched this movie like a week before, and I was like discussing with my friends like about cannibalism and thing, and the thing like continues to me now. I'm like this talk goes into cannibalism.
Cannibalism is more gory than ghost. And in Afghanistan also there is a valley, like वहां पर है ना एक स्टोरी थी अफगानिस्तान की कि वहां पर एक आदमी रहता था। तो वो मतलब एक फैमिली थी, तो वो सिर्फ कैनिबलिज्म करते थे। लास्ट वहां से लोग गुजर रहे होते थे ना तो उनको मारते थे, उनको खा लेते थे, और फिर उन्होंने अपनी पूरी की पूरी फैमिली बना ली थी, मतलब हस्बैंड वाइफ थे।
What
क्यों
happened?
भाई? ये क्या क्यों देख रहा था? क्या क्या सुनाई दे रहा था तेरे को?
मुझे कुछ धप सी आवाज सुनाई दी किचन से।
जाओ, take your phone and go there. Let's see if there's something.
Yeah.
नहीं कुछ नहीं है, कुछ नहीं है। तो क्या था, फिर वो फैमिली वहां पर रहती थी, तो वो हस्बैंड वाइफ थे, उन्होंने बच्चे किए, और वो बच्चों ने भी ना जो आपस में ब्रदर सिस्टर्स थे उन्होंने आपस में सेक्स करके और बच्चे कर लिए, तो उन्होंने पूरा का पूरा गांव बना लिया आपस में ही, ठीक है। और जो नीचे से लोग गुजरते थे, टूरिस्ट वगैरह, मतलब जो भी ट्रैवलर्स होते थे, उनको मार के वो खाते थे। और फिर उनको सोसाइटी से कुछ पता नहीं था, उनके बच्चों को सोसाइटी का कुछ पता नहीं था कि क्या होता है, कैसे होता है, लैंग्वेजेस क्या होती है। तो दे आर जस्ट लाइक एनिमल्स, जो वहां से गुजर रहे हैं उनको हंट किया, खाया और आपस में सेक्स किया।
जैसे ना आधा घंटा पहले रिकॉर्डिंग बंद करने देनी चाहिए थी, अब कर दूं। मुझे नहीं लगता ये कोई
कैटेगरी ना
गाइडलाइन के आसपास भी पहुंचेगा ये सब,
नहीं, वी कैन टॉक अबाउट गोस्ट।
तो वैसे 12 बज के, let's end. How long was the recording? 1 hour
1 hour 57 minutes, but I believe थोड़ा तो काटना पड़ेगा ब्रो, नहीं तो YouTube काट डालेगा।
नहीं, it's okay.
The last part.
YouTube will cut you off from your channel पे स्ट्राइक वाइक आ जाएगा।
आने दो, थोड़ा तो रिकॉग्निशन मिल जाएगा, कोई तो रिकॉग्नाइज कर रहा है तो
अरे नहीं आता भाई, YouTube में और बहुत गंदी गंदी चीजें हैं भाई, बहुत आगे वाली चीजें
वो अंडर, मतलब कोई चीजें अंदर चली जाती है, बट मोस्टली ऐसा होता है। इवन हॉरर चैनल्स आई वॉच, व्हेन दे वेंट अ लिटिल बिट मोर इनटू हॉरर, सबका वो डिमोनेटाइज वीडियो हो जाता है एंड ऑल दीस थिंग्स, रीच कम कर देते हैं।
चलो पहले तो
ट्यूब, और मैं 2-3 चैनल देखता हूँ, वो लियम आर्ट्स, हॉन्टिंग ट्यूब, बेचारे सब इसी से रोते हैं।
हॉन्टिंग ट्यूब तो बहुत अच्छा है यार, हॉन्टिंग ट्यूब काफी अच्छा है।
वही बैंगलोर में रहता है बंदा, बोले पता नहीं। और लेम आर्ट्स और 3-4 देखता हूँ मैं, मिस्टर नाइटमेयर, वो सारे का यही रोना धोना रहता है कि प्लीज बी ए पेट्रियन बिकॉज यूट्यूब डिमोनेटाइज कर देता है सारी वीडियोस, और रीच भी कम करता है यूट्यूब, सो शेयर वीडियोस।